Oh man, we have 5 minutes until NFP. I'm kind of getting in a little bit late. I was supposed to hop on a little earlier for everybody who wanted to be here this morning. But we got to do what we've got to do. So it's going to be an interesting one. We have NFP in 5 minutes, 5 absolute minutes. So let's see how this goes. I have some theories, some hypotheses. Sometimes NFP goes wild. Sometimes it does not. This is going to look super messy. Let me get rid of all of these. I think we'll just leave it at that for now. We'll wait till some people get in here. It's early in the morning, super early in the morning, so I'm not expecting many people to hop on, but we will see what happens. Most people are probably in a trade right now or about to get into a trade. So let me see. Let me have myself set up as well. All right, so that's good. Let me bring back the screen. Konnichiwa, what's good? What's good? Yeah, NFP in 3 minutes. What's good, Ryuzaki? You're the first one in here, man. You deserve the pin of the day. Let me pin your comment. 1 second. You're the first one in here. I'm trying to pin your comment. Yeah, there you go. Pin message. Yeah. Ryuzaki's the first one in here. He gets pin of the day. I'm going to pin you for a bit until I have to change to Discord. But Ryuzaki, while you're in here, what I'm anticipating somewhere within this region that I've highlighted, I'm expecting price to at least come into this box. And I'm thinking the thing is NFP is brutal. Slick Figure said, I really respect you guys who trade NFP. I'm not going to be trading, bro. So you can hold your respect. I'm not going to be trading. I don't trade news. It's one of my rules. But I'm going to be, we might put in a paper trade or something just to see how it goes. But there are people, I have a friend who trades NFP. He's probably trading right now. He might hop on. His name's Marcus. He's also another YouTuber. He might hop into this as well. And, I'm going to see how it goes. But yeah, we're looking at this to see, how this ends up playing out because I think Ryuzaki said for NFP, CPI, and PPI, I trade after the news. Same. I don't go anywhere near it because it's so volatile. So if this was another red folder event that wasn't one of those two, this is the area I'm looking at. I guarantee you price would come into this area like this. Okay. Especially if we're breaking towards the upside. Oops. Let me just get rid of this real quick. If we're breaking towards right now we're consolidating, right? So what I've noticed during the news is that price is going to, if it wants to continue downwards, right? If its intention is to go down here, it's going to push into a region up here during the red folder event, and then it's going to do this. Okay? Oops. Bro, my thing's all over the place. 1 second. All right, it's going to push up there, and then let me do this. And then continue downwards. This is what happens all the time. Right? Because price goes from zone to zone. And usually when there's a consolidation, there's an expansion before the real move. So sometimes you'll see it go up. If it wants to go down, it'll go up first and then go down. If it wants to go down, it'll go down first and then go up. So this is kind of what I'm anticipating here. Let me move this out the way. Very curious to see how this plays out. Let's go to the 1 minute so we can see how dramatic this looks when it all happens, right? So we've broken out of this consolidation a little bit. Yeah, I would say that's the area right there. Professor said, hello fam, glad to be here today. Hello Professor, welcome back. It's gonna be a good day, man. I'm telling you right now, if you're looking to trade NFP, some days we have really slow releases. How many seconds we have? 5 seconds. Let me be quiet. Let's see what happens. Let me be quiet. Let's see. Anyway, I'm a newbie from Forex. I wanted to avoid first Friday of the month. Now I know why. Yeah, it's exactly why. All right, NFP has started. There we go. Guess where it's going, guys? Guess where it's going? What did I say? Look at where it's going. Look at where it's going. Remember I told you guys that price is going to go somewhere within this region? Right away, I told you. So I used to, when I did a couple news trades, I would always put my entry to like maybe here, stops just above the region, and then I would wait for it to go back down to the next zone. That's what I would do. But I can't do it on NFP and stuff like that because it's too violent. Like this one is not that big of a release. Usually NFP and FOMC and stuff like that, they shoot really, really hard, right? So, but I told you guys, you see this region I have marked up? I said price was going to shoot into this region. And I'll explain to you guys later on why I was able to identify this region. This is not my first time doing this on live. Those of you who've been with me for a while, like Ryuzaki, he knows. I've done a couple demonstrations showing where price is supposed to go for news, and I've taken some of these trades live, just a couple, and I've been able to cash out heavy. But I don't trade news just because it still has a really hard unpredictability to it. Let's see. Ryzak said 15 seconds. Yeah, Ryzak, I missed your message. You say I'm a newbie in Forex. My friend warned me to avoid first Fridays of the month. 9 Yeah, bro. These days, just stay away from them. Stay absolutely as far away from them as you can. So you guys see what's going on here? Look at this. Price shot into this region, into this zone here that I marked up. And look, I have this other thing marked up right here. It's all for a reason. You see this line as well? This line I marked up this morning. Oh, is that the yesterday's trade from gold that we put in for Marcus and them? Anyways, we'll focus on that later on. You see this line here? Look at where price went into this region, this zone, this line. This is all marked up for a reason. I'm working on a different strategy that I was telling you guys that I might start sharing with you guys because of how accurate it's becoming. But look at this. Look at that. In fact, let me make that zone gold so you guys can see it. It might be easier. Let's do it like that. There we go. Okay, this is the region, this line, this zone. This is where I was anticipating. I was thinking worst case scenario, because we have a gap here, price may come to this fair value gap right here and enter. Okay, but I'm still pretty accurate. You know what I mean? This is one of those strategies that have been very accurate for me. Trading news is just not something I recommend. It can really go away on you. But look, price literally shot up into that zone and now it's pushing back down. Now, we may still, it might still do this and then make its way back up here and break these levels. But I'm talking about taking trades like this, right? Entering right here, putting your stops, let's say right here, and then waiting for price to go and clear this zone or something like that. And it's worked. My shortest trade, taking a trade like this, was 5 seconds, and I hit a 1 to 6. So it's pretty accurate. Maybe one day I might be able to perfect this a bit more and turn it into a strategy. Who knows? Right? Zaki says CPI. Absolutely. Alamong said, let's go. Gold cooked. Yeah, let's take a look at gold because we got that thing on gold as well. Let's see. Yesterday, remember we put in the gold for those of you guys who are trading gold to see. And we had a couple positions. The first one was you guys were, I think this is the wrong one. Let's see. Yes, it was this one. You guys were getting in. You guys got in yesterday over here. And the stop loss was supposed to be over here. But I told you this zone, and move this out the way. I told you guys yesterday this zone was going to be problematic. I said when price gets to here, I think you guys should get out. And then I said I was going to trade against you and look what happened. And now, price is doing this. So let me get rid of these. These are not like a real entry. So we'll just get rid of them so we can focus. But yeah, gold is pushing, bro. Gold is pushing. Gold is absolutely pushing, and it's pushing towards this side. Remember, I told you guys yesterday as well, those of you guys who are here on the live, I told you that yesterday, most likely with NFP, we would be reaching for this region. Why? All these equal highs right here. Okay, so, I mean, I'm not saying I'm a prophet or anything, you know what I mean? Sometimes you're right, sometimes you're wrong. That's just the market, but that's what I was thinking. So far, my analysis for gold is kind of playing out. I'm anticipating it will most likely give us a new high, but again, we'll see. This morning for US 30, it went exactly into my region, so that is really good as well. For those of you guys who are in gold, did you buy, did you sell? Let me know. Marcus, they just said, oh shoot, got in late to the party. Man, you're good. You're good. I was talking about you this morning. I'm wondering if you're already trading, because I know you do gold as well, and sometimes you do news because you're brave like that. Did you take a trade this morning? All right, so this is what we're looking at right now. So let me go back to US 30 for a sec, because I'm a US 30 trader. So it's 8:30. By now I'm on the markets. I've seen what what US 30 is doing. My prediction this morning for price doing this is starting to play out. we would need these candles to close. We've got 9 more minutes basically before the 15 closes, so we don't know yet. But I'm going to wait for, I want to say, another half an hour before I get into a trade, and I'll tell you why. When you go to the 1 hour and the 4 hour, you can see very clearly that price is in a very strong zone. So I'm also not surprised that price went towards the upside, because every time price has touched this specific zone here, it has really pushed towards the upside. Even when you go left, you can see when price taps into it, it shoots down. When it taps into it, it shoots up. All right, so this is a very strong zone. I can actually show you guys just to make it a little bit more. Where's the thing I'm looking for right here? Just to make it a little bit more easy to understand, because I know there's a lot of people who are new. All right, so there's one touch here, one touch here. You can kind of call that a touch, but I prefer more like this one here. And then there is another one here. All right, so look at all the touches. 1, 2, 3, 4. And every time it comes to this level, it pushes heavily in the opposite direction, right? So since that is the case, I am skeptical as to getting into the market around that zone. Just clear this real quick. Around that zone, right? Since this is what's going on here, I'm skeptical. Usually price, as I was explaining to you guys yesterday, usually price is supposed to do this. If price is coming down like this, right? It's supposed to keep doing that. It always looks for some region around here, maybe support, resistance, order block, whatever the case is, and it's supposed to push down. If you get price doing this, right, pushing a bit above, giving you a little bit up, then down, and then, you know, playing around in this area, and it's not breaking this low, but keeps flirting with this line, it's most likely just going to do this. You see what I'm saying? So I don't like when price hasn't broken the previous low and it's still playing within this range. Usually it means price is determined to go the other way. So right now I see price doing that. Price has come down. Okay, it's supposed to break this low. It didn't break this low. It's up here and now it's playing in this range. So I'm anticipating that at some point price is going to reverse. All right, so I need to be patient enough. Those of you who are new, you need to be patient enough to see what price wants to do and then take a position or an entry to go towards that direction. Okay, right now I have nothing because their structure isn't fully formed yet. I can't really get into anything. Market said, I did short on gold with 0.05 for fun. NFP trade, still in it. Oh, nice. Okay. So you shorted gold for fun and you're still in the trade. Okay. I'm curious to see how it goes. Are you shorting from up here, down here? We'll see, right? I like how honest you are. You and K-Dot. K-Dot is mad honest, bro. K-Dot will come in here and be like, bro, I just lost like 4R. He doesn't care at all. And the next day he'll be like, I lost 2R. But then he'll hit like 1 to 11s consistently. So shout out to you guys who are honest. We're in a, what's the word I'm looking for? An industry where everybody wants to pretend that they're perfect, right? They want to come in here and be like, guys, I bought in right here. You know what I mean? This was my entry. This was my stop loss. And I got out right here, 1 to 33. This is what everybody wants to to show, right? So it's super interesting. So shout out to you guys for being transparent. So yeah, with gold, let's do a little bit of an analysis. You can see price has been ranging, but in the last region here, let's do this, okay? So we can see in this last region here, what do we have? We have price going up, then down, right? So it's breaking these lows. Then it gave us another lower high, a lower low, right? Another lower high, and then a lower low. And then price gave us another lower high, a lower low, but then a higher high. All right, so now price is doing this and giving us higher highs and higher lows. So we're getting what we call bullish structure. You see what I'm saying? So price essentially broke what was happening here. This little downtrend is going towards the upside. And we have to now decide, is price determined to go through this region here towards the upside, or is it planning to just fake us out, maybe do one of these and then come back down? This is what we've got to figure out. And the only way to figure it out is to be patient. A lot of people want to be able to, oh, nah, the way this engulfing candle, nah, it's definitely going up. Like, well, hold on, we don't know that yet. It hasn't broken this region. And even though we're in a bullish structure, this region is super, super strong. So we need to see price not only break this, but continue bullish formation. So we need to see price do this, right? Maybe come back down, retest this, and then break another high. Then we can consider You see what I'm saying? And even it depends on how price breaks this high. Because if you get one of these, like price just like wicks up there, and then now price is giving you something like this, and then now you're getting, stuff like, wait for it. You need clear structure. You need up, down with momentum. Then you can say, okay, I'm getting back in here to go towards upside. So that's the way I look at things. I try to be very, very patient. Marcus, a big drawdown. Yeah, I mean, I could imagine, right? If you shorted. But we'll see what happens. You never know. The market is unpredictable. It might, even if it wants to go all the way up, it might still pull down a bit and then go towards the upside. All right. So we got this candle's got like 4 minutes left. Depending on how it closes, we will know exactly how to get in and what to do from there. Same thing's happening over here. Price is doing this. Let's take a look at some of these other ones. NAS 100. All right. So NAS 100, look at what that's doing. NAS 100 is literally, so look at this. Maybe I can go to a different one to show you guys. Okay, yeah, that'll be a bit better. So we have NAS 100. It's in this zone here that we marked up from way before. That seems to be a very strong zone. And it's still within this area. But what's happened is that NAS 100 has come down, right? Consolidated, flirted with this area. And then, boom, broke above. But didn't quite really make it, came back down. Guess what it did? It's still consolidating, right? Then it broke up again. Still doing its thing. And now we have this, essentially. Okay, so what we need to figure out is what price is intending to do. We need to figure out if this is going to be a retracement off of this mini support, now turning to a potential resistance. Is it going to do this? Or is it going to, after it closes, use maybe this gap to continue to finally break this zone? We have to wait and see. Okay, right now we have a really mini, you know what I mean, like support. And we need to see if this is going to close above it or not. Right, so we got to be patient to see. Let's check SPX real quick because they all kind of move in unison. So let me show you real quick. All right, so look at SPX 500. Same thing, very similar, right? So SPX is in the same boat as NAS 100, except the formation is a bit cleaner. In this case here, if price comes back to itself and goes down, it makes more sense because it hasn't crossed this support turned into resistance. You see what I'm saying? We can't really count this one down here because price hasn't finished forming. If price respects this and starts breaking lows, we can say this is another area. But for now, the last area that we need to worry about is right here. So we're going to look at all of these and just kind of see how it's going. See how it's going. Today's going to be a long stream. We got to turn up. We got to have some fun. I was trying to build a soundboard for you guys, but there's just so much going on. I'm also building a website on my laptop for everybody who's asking for the one-on-one calls and all that stuff. So a lot going on. I have my mod helping me to do some things, but like I said, he works a lot as well. He works like 16-hour shifts. So yeah, we're trying to find time. We literally like maybe once a week we speak for like half an hour. So it's not easy. All right, so we're gonna see how this plays out. We're gonna be patient, guys. We're gonna be super patient. If you're here, grab some popcorn, grab some breakfast, grab something, grab some coffee, some tea if it's in the morning for you. If it's in the afternoon, have some lunch. I don't know, but we're gonna be here for a bit. All right, because we really need to understand what price is doing before we hop into any trades whatsoever. So I would say, to be quite honest, I'm not looking for anything until about after 9 o'clock, maybe around 9:15, because New York Open has a mind of its own and usually has some places it wants to go. So we got to wait and see how this plays out. We got about 50 seconds until this candle closes. So we'll see what occurs. For the rest of you guys, did you take NFP? Did you take a trade with NFP? If you did, how's it going? What are your plans for the week? Let me know. Well, not the week, for the rest of the day. In terms of trading, what else are you guys looking at? I know we have some other pairs. Let's take a look at, we did gold. Let's look at GBP CHF. That's USD, GBP CHF. All right, so GBP CHF came back to this area. Sorry, not Euro JPY came back to this area. So that's very, very interesting. We can see here price was kind of playing around this area, but it didn't really respect it much. We got to see if the candle will close. Now that's, doing that, if it's going to close in it, below it, whatever the case is. And it's closed just below. So we've got to see what's going on here. This is not enough for me to get into a buy or a sell. Again, I want to wait to see a clear direction before I get into a trade like that. We have GBP-CHF. This looks a lot more uniform because we had this really strong zone. And now price is responding to this zone. So what I ideally want to see is price most likely find something within this range here to take towards the downside. That's what I want. All right, so I would start looking at some possible areas. The first one I can see that price already kind of reacted to. It's tiny, but it looks like this little gap right here on the 15, price responded to it. And then after that, we have this. This would be my last form of defense, depending on how price, you know what I mean, responds to this area. Right, Zach said for me, after 10, if this is big news. If oh, okay, like NFP, CPI, PPI. Okay, got you. So you're waiting till around after 10. Got you. Yeah, that's safe. All right, so I'm going to look to see how price responds to this level. I'm going to set a couple alerts. First one is going to say price, just crossed first. Okay, that's what I'm going to say right here. And then the second one is going to say just for now, just to get an idea of what's going on there, because it's the cleanest setup, at least on Forex right now. Look at what's happening on Euro JPY, right? So it already violated this zone that GBP-CHF is still figuring out. It violated the zone, pushed up into here, and now it's back in here, and now it's pushing back up. So this we definitely want to be careful with for sure. All right, so for gold is back in this region, and price has closed just below this area. So it's still showing some strength, and now price is even pushing towards the downside. Okay, I'll tell you right now, if price ends up closing like this, right, I might start looking for, I don't trade gold, but I might start looking for markups. Maybe you guys might see a setup here towards the upside, because I'm thinking we will still most likely cross these things here. Yeah, I'm thinking we may still do this, right? Like price is pushing down now, but we might still get one of these towards the upside. So we'll see. We have 12 minutes. I'll come back in 12 minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to say this. I'm going to create an alert just so I can kind of keep track of what's going on. I'm going to say price is crossing the halfway. All right, so we have that there. Let's see. All right, so price closed in here, and now it's making its way back here. So it closed above the area of consolidation that we marked up, and now price is pushing towards this golden zone. I'm anticipating that if price does go down for any reason, it should be this gap. I knew for news it would come into this area, some part of this area, but for trading like around New York Open, I'm anticipating it might use this gap. Because if it breaks past this gap, then we're surely going towards the upside on the long term, for sure. So we will see what occurs. Alrighty, people. All right, guys, come on, talk to me. You want me to play some music? We're used to having more activity in this chat, in this live, but it's early in the morning. We usually stream around like 10 o'clock when everybody's already either finished trading or just about to close their trade, so everybody's more relaxed. This morning, I anticipate a lot of people are either still asleep or in a trade right now and can't be bothered to be on a live stream. So it's all good. It's all good. Who knows? You guys might be able to see me. You might get to see me trade live today. So we'll see. We will see if we can end off the Friday with a good win. Because this week has been pretty good. Hasn't been too bad at all in terms of trading. And I took a trade yesterday too, so I'm not going to be super picky. I'm not going to be super, what's the word I'm looking for? Eager to hop into a trade. I'm going to be kind of picky. But for you guys, I might. You should get your breakfast first. You should go. Yeah, I should probably go get my breakfast for real. Because I haven't eaten yet. Oh, everyone in my household is still asleep. So I low-key should be quiet. I'm here yapping so hard. But everybody is asleep. All right, let's see what's going on here. Interesting formation. Very interesting formation. See how price responds every time it gets to this line? Again, I'm working on something, guys. I might release. First off, if I release a course, it's going to be free. I'm working on a free course right now for you guys. But I might also have a second strategy that I'm currently cooking up, because yesterday it helped me to take this trade. Okay, GBP All right. Let's go. Let's see what's going on. Oh, so it crossed this. All right. So we need to be mindful of what's going on here. This is interesting. Very, very interesting. I want to see how this plays out. I'm going to actually keep this on GBP. You know what? I think I can do this. Wow. Let's not do that. Where is it? Color. There we go. Okay, so this is not NAS 100. Let's do because I think we were on US 30. Yeah, let's do US 30, but on the one that we're looking at. There we go. And let's switch that to the 15. Actually, to the 1 minute. Let's see how that plays out over here, because price is starting to retrace a little bit. Over here, price is heading towards the other one, so we're about to get another alert. Boom. Look at that with volume. All right, so like I was saying, if price breaks these type of gaps and goes towards us, we're most likely, because I really can't, unless price wants to come back and retest this, which is wild to me. It just doesn't make any sense. But again, this is after a news expansion, so we got to keep that in mind. Let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens here. Place your bets, guys. What do you guys think is going to happen? You think it's going to break it? Let me put a poll real quick, actually. Let's see. Late slash like this. Fair. All right, let me see. All right, let me know what you guys think. I just put up a poll. You guys think price is going to violate this FVG, break it? What do you think? Let me know. Let's get some votes in here. There's only 4 of us, so we might even have a tie. We may have a unanimous decision. Let's see. What do you guys think? Oh, we had 100% yes just now. Yeah, 100% yeses. Sheesh. Yeah, 3 votes, and there's 4 of us in here. 3 people have voted and said yes. So let's see if you guys are correct. Let's see if you guys are correct. I mean, it's kind of wicked, but we want to see a clear break. Marcus Adrian put fire in the chat. Let's go. Marcus, how's your trade going? Oh, guys, so you guys were right. Look at this. Sheesh. Violating. All right, so now... So gold is starting to retrace, Marcus. You might have a really good, bounce back. Who knows? So price is pushing up here, whereas for US 30, price is starting to retrace. Okay, at this level, price is starting to retrace. I'm not doing anything till we get here. So let me add an alert here real quick. Gosh, my caps is always on. Price has tapped into... All right. Oh, my fault. All right. So, yeah, price just absolutely violated. So, let me get rid of this one right here. We don't care about that. As of right now, I'm still going to watch to see what it does around this area because, in fact, let me see something real quick here. Oh, that's not great. And as much as there's a big gap right here, I'm not going to use that as a... It's going to mess with my entry. I'm not going to touch that. I'm not going to touch that. But I'll keep that in the back of my head. I'll keep that in the back of my head. Those of you who are just joining, welcome, welcome, welcome. This morning we were we were analyzing NFP. We had anticipated that price was going to, in fact, let me just move over here real quick. We were anticipating that price was going to, at the release of news, was going to tap into this zone and go down. And it did that. It tapped here, it came all the way back down, but then it closed right here. And now it's retesting that zone. What we're waiting for is something around here. So if you're here, welcome. If you traded NFP, let us know. what your results were, if you won, if you lost. Don't be ashamed. Over here, we support each other, win or lose or draw. All right, so price is acting strange in there. Not strange, but starting to push down there. And I think that's an engulfing candle, no? I think so. Just to be sure, let's add our trusty indicator. Yeah, it is. Look. When there's a bearish engulfing candle, it's purple. When there's a bullish one, it's like a light blue. Let me see if I can find another one to show you guys. Like this. It's supposed to be like this, like a light blue. Okay, like that. So, yeah, that's an engulfing candle for sure. All right, that's not enough. On the 1 minute, I wouldn't really get my hopes up. You know what I mean? All right, let me add the... Oh, look what price is doing in this zone. Look at what price is doing in this zone. Same thing's kind of happening with... oh, gosh. Why is this here? Oh, because this has my old settings. All right, cool. So price is reversing over here. Interesting. Very interesting. Let me take these off so that we can... Well, for those of you who are new, sometimes I use this indicator. It's the daily candle, so it helps me to see what has happened. So the daily candle tells me price opened up right here, okay? And it'll point all the way to that candle. So you can see price opened up here, okay, like this, and then made all these lows towards the downside, and now it's all the way up here, okay? So essentially we were bearish, and then price changed to bullish on the daily candle. Okay, so usually when you see stuff like this, price will sometimes return into some area around here to go up if it wants to do that. You can see during the news release, it kind of did that, right? At 8:30, kind of came down to the lower portion of the candle, because that's how we get candles of wicks. It's usually an open, down, and then an expansion. Or if it's a bearish, it'd be an open, up, and then an expansion, right? So, guys, look what's happening over here. Sheesh. Look at what's happening over here. GBP CHF is falling. Not with too much strength, but it's going down. It's going down. All right. I should pin the Discord thing here. Let me see. Yeah, I can get it from here. Invite people. Why is that doing that? Let me go here and then go invite people, copy, and okay. Let me go back to here. All right, so yeah, that's what's happening right now. I'm just trying to pin the Discord link for those of you who are new. Pin message. There we go. All right, that's the Discord link. Join the Discord if you are new. Lots of stuff going on in there. Lots of stuff going on in there. NFP, what's good, Black Owl? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Did you see what happened this morning? What we predicted and what's happening right now? This morning, we were anticipating price was going to come into this zone and push down, and it did exactly that, and we're just waiting. You remember gold yesterday, too? We said that price was going to come into this region during the NFP news, but we're anticipating. I'm still bullish, though, to be quite honest. I still believe price may break this. Now, it may not happen within our session today, but soon. I just feel like it's due for that, right? Price came up and kind of tapped these same levels. It didn't take out this high, took out a bunch of these, but it's not enough. I feel like we are most likely going towards upside. So candle's going to close in literally 21 seconds. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this now from prices crossing the halfway point to price just tapped FVG. So for those of you who trade gold, we might find a setup today. All right. We might find a setup because I believe price may do this. Okay. May. And I'm thinking we might be able to find an entry somewhere within here. So we'll see. All right. NFP was crazy. We didn't take any actual positions, but we were kind of right on our analysis. Really? Bro, I was just here. What the heck? Okay, so now we got to watch gold, guys. Now we've got to watch gold. So let me change this back to... all right, let's do the 1 minute. Let's see what happens here. Okay, let's see what happens here. Those of you who trade gold... Excusez-moi, I think I should have some water. For those of you who trade gold, we might get a setup. We might get a setup. Now, don't take... This is not a signal. Do not take my word for this because I don't trade gold. I could be leading you into a ditch and you don't even know it. Don't trade gold with me. Just analyze. And if you have any suggestions, or not suggestions, if you guys have some potential entries, I know sometimes people like KDOT and stuff would be like, yo, I'm entering here, I'm getting out here. We can analyze together as a group. Alrighty. Let me go back to US 30 real quick because that's the one I really care about. But again, okay, so now it's after 9. So I want to see how price responds. I'm not going to touch anything within this area. I took a trade yesterday. I'm good. I can be picky with my setups. I'm not touching anything in this area. Until price touches this zone up here, I am not going to stress myself. I'm going to wait it out. All right, GBP USD, sorry, GBP CHF is forming, you know, we don't have any bearish structure just as yet because we were going up, right? We were forming higher highs and higher lows and stuff like that. And now we're up, right? And prices come down. It's giving us a bit of a lower high, but we don't know yet. The only way we'll know if it's a lower high is if price price has to break, it has to do this. Once it breaks this low, it's now a lower high. If it doesn't and it goes here, it'll be a higher high, right? So we have to wait for price to break here, and then we can consider bearish movement. But even then, you got to be careful only because this may not be enough, right? It may not be enough. We got to really see. Look how far up price has gone, right? Price is almost, if this was a retracement, this is almost within the 90% range. Okay, look at that. It's come all the way up here. This is at this up here would be like 80. This is, I'm sure it's getting close to the 90% range. So we got to be super careful what happens. All right, so we're watching both. Let's see what happens with gold. Some things got to happen with gold before we get in, baby. So let's see. Let's see. The thing with gold is that gold is not like US 30 and all the indices where, bro, you going again. I'm going against you again. I don't mean to, bro. I'm just looking at what the way I trade. I'm anticipating price is going to be bullish, but we'll only know once price is done forming, right? We have this like this is a bit of a stretch, guys, right? But you can see price is just respecting this level here, and then we have price kind of, right? Let's put this on to kind of get an idea. Yeah, we kind of have price giving us a little bit of a sideways range, which is called a channel, something like this, right? You can see price is like really respecting this, and then this over here, right? You can see price is respecting that as well. And so we're anticipating, and you guys know this, it happens with US 30 all the time. Even if price breaks below this, it's supposed to give us a little bit of a fake out and then really push towards the upside because these channels break towards the upside. All right, unless we're completely wrong. So we'll see what happens. I don't trade gold, so we'll see. I'm definitely not going to look at this as a break towards the downside because, again, I'm still bullish. In order for price to be bearish for me, right? What is this? Where is this arrow coming from? Anyways, doesn't matter. In order for price to be bearish for me, we'd have to start breaking those levels for sure. All right, price would have to start forming bearish market structure on a higher time frame. But right now, it's violating the life out of this gap, it seems like. So we will see what happens. We shall see what happens. Now, before when I was new, this was a breakout trade for me. As soon as price got in around here, I'm in. Stops right there, 1 to 2, sometimes 1 to 3. I can't tell you how many times price would get to like around here and then just go back and take me out. So I don't trade like that anymore. Marcus, they just said, no, shoot, I'm stressing over my position already, and you're saying going up, heart racing. Bro, I could be wrong. I mean, look what's happening right now, right? I could be wrong. But to be quite honest with you, this is what I'm looking at right now. I'm anticipating somewhere around here, if I had to draw a region, that at least on the 1 minute, price may give us some issues around here. Let me put this up a little closer, like this. This is what I'm thinking. If not, if it starts to break below there, then yeah, it's fair game. Because it already violated the gap. If it violates this too, I'd be like, all right, that's enough. But again, I don't trade gold. If this was NAS 100, I could tell you almost to the T where price is going. Let's just do this. just so to contrast the colors. All right, so we can see, look what's happening on the left-hand side. We can see what's going on with GBP CHF. Let me just take a quick look at Euro JPY real quick. All right, so Euro JPY shot down, shot up, and now it's shooting back. See, things like this, you don't want to get caught in this. This is called the expansion. When price is just doing this, it's eventually going to find its footing and then go in one direction. So we just want to be super careful here. Super careful. All right, so remember I said we may have to watch and see what's going on. Look what gold is doing. Right in this zone, look what gold is doing. It's pushing back up, so we don't know. And is that an engulfing? I believe so. Oh, it's already on. So we'll see if it closes like that. It should be an engulfing candle. It should be. And I have a friend. I told you guys this before. I have a friend who trades 1 to 3 engulfing. If he's waiting for a price to get into a zone, the second it closes like this, he's in. This is his entry right here. Stops just below this. His entry is like, and he aims. Let me see if I can show you guys. He aims like crazy risk rewards. Crazy, like 1 to 9s, 1 to 10s, those type of things. All right, so we'll see what happens. He would be wrong today, though. This price is going right back down. And we're out. Ooh, thank God I just stick to my strategy, bro. You can never tell. So at this point, the way price is moving, Marcus, I think you're all right. I think you're good, man. I think you are good. We'd have to wait for the candle to close, but I think you are all right. Because prices, look. Let me get rid of this real quick. Prices come to this. I don't know why this is. It says we bought here. Anyhow, prices now, look, we have structure, like even on a short term, we have price getting ready to literally violate these lows, right? So once it starts breaking these lows, you know, we ain't got nothing going on. So for those of you who are waiting for a setup with me, I'm sorry, that setup is now in the floor. Nothing going on gold with regards to that. GBP CHF is starting to reverse, and NAS 100 is also starting to do the same thing. So this is why it pays to be patient, guys. Professor said my buy limit on gold just got hit. I'm long in gold. Okay, all right, bro. Be careful. Be very careful. Anything is possible, but be careful. Marcus said he got out too stressful. Yeah, I agree. I agree, bro. The way gold is moving, I mean, it could fall from here, right? We don't know, but the reason why I'm very patient with my setups is because of that. You have to let price show you what it wants to do. I could have easily said, oh, yeah, I've seen this strategy a million times, especially on NAS. We're supposed to get in around here. I'll probably put my stops maybe down here, and we're supposed to go to the upside, and then, to the upside, right? And then I would have got washed. I always wait. I'm always patient. Patience pays in this game, guys. Patience pays. Let's go look at US 30 real quick. All right, so US 30 is going up. It's going to probably hit this area soon. Remember, we're getting close to New York Open, right? It's 9:08. We have 22 minutes until New York Open. So this is going to be super interesting. Let me switch this to something else we can look at. So SPX is doing the same thing. And let's see what NAS is doing. NAS is also doing something very similar. Oops. All right, so NAS, there we go. So NAS has broken above this. So now if I'm bullish, if I'm getting into NAS, I'm definitely waiting for a zone around here, most likely to get into, because not only did price not respect this, right, it's also broken above recent swing high. So we're most likely bullish. I'm anticipating something around here. And I don't know where I'll put my stops, here or there. It doesn't matter. But essentially, I am now, this zone is strong, but I'm anticipating we're going to break this zone. I'd probably go to maybe take out some of these highs around here. Something along those lines, right? So we will see what occurs. We will see. All right. Oh, so look what's happening with GBP CHF. Interesting. Oh, interesting. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put in a paper trade real quick, guys, just to test something out. If price starts breaking below here, it's a very foolish place to be, though. Look at the zone we're at. That's not a great move, actually. That's not a great move at all. But I'll do this. Let me just put in a trade. We'll sell. We'll put stops maybe here. It should be here. So let me do this. I'll do two positions like this. And then We got to aim for like a 1 to 2. So, guys, I beg of you, especially if you're new, don't even look at this, okay? This is me guessing. I do this every so often when I'm just trying to figure something out. Don't take this as a serious signal or anything like that. And then we can do another one. I'll do it just above just to be on the safe side. Maybe actually just below. Maybe like that. And what I'll do is I'll put the stops above here like that and TP in the same place. All right, guys, this is just to confirm my hypothesis, but don't take it too seriously. All right, gold is in the floor, so nothing too great happening over there. Look at US 30. This is, you guys, this is a dangerous setup. This is what I'm anticipating. If price starts doing what I'm doing, we will essentially get this, right, within this area. I'm not going to get in because, I mean, if we get this, then it might tank, right? But I'm not going to get in because it's not my setup. But we might get one of these, guys. We might. Like, we legitimately might get one of those. To me, I'm a little worried because we're getting close to New York. I really hate to take setups around market open because of all the volatility. Sometimes you're right. It'll just take you out first and then go your way because it's looking for that liquidity, as they say. So let's see what happens here. Very curious. So gold has broken this low, but this is ultimately the low we're looking for. And now it's starting to go up. Gold is acting weird. Gold is acting super weird. Let me see if I can find something over here that kind of makes sense as to what's going on. Okay, obviously there's a gap here, but I'm not going to pretend like this is why that's happening, right? Could be a retracement because this is the last low. So it could be a retracement. It could be that price really is just respecting this gap and is going to most likely take that towards the upside. But I would not touch this. If I was trading gold, I would leave this alone. I would not touch this. Even though I'm still bullish, I would just wait for it to show me what it wants to show me, and then I would consider doing other things. All right, so GBP, CHF, we might get what we're looking for. Oh, there we go. We're in. Wait, that's the wrong one. That's stop loss order. What the heck is going on? GBP, CHF. What do you mean stop loss order? Oh, I guess because it entered us into the trade, so it's telling us that this has been activated because you can see. All right, cool. All right, cool. Very cool. Very, very cool. All right. So let's see what happens. Guys, 9:30. I'm very curious to see what happens around 9:30. The way price is moving, you can tell it's stalling, right? It's waiting for New York Open, and then around New York Open, we're going to see some more movement, more action, more everything. Guys, it's Friday. Let's turn up. Let's live it up. Let's see what occurs. Let me actually... Let's add an alert. There we go. Okay, and then let's actually change this to a fair value gap so that it makes sense when we get back here. All right, so price tapped into here and is pushing up. Not a great sign, right? But I was just trying to catch it because if price is going down, right, usually it goes down with momentum, so you'll get something like this. And you can just enter the trade right away. Ooh, so, like I said, this doesn't matter. I just want to confirm my hypothesis. If price like clearly breaks, and I mean like a good break below this line, as in a candle close, then this is what we might be seeing. Okay, we don't know. We got to wait it out and see. Marcus said, I got my adrenaline rush. You're good for the day then. You're good for the day. All right, what else are you guys trading? What else are you guys trading? Is it just gold? Are we all just gold and like indice traders? What else are you guys trading? Is anybody in here trading Forex this morning at all? At all? Oh man. So it might have been one of those like unfortunate things where I put it too close to the break, right? What I was just trying to do is just catch the momentum so I can give you guys, because usually when we get into the trades, it's late, and when you enter, you'll see like this is where our initial position was, but our entry is actually right here. So I'm a bit of a perfectionist when it comes to these things, so I didn't want it to look like that. Anyhow, it could still reverse, but you get my point. Let's not do nothing. All right, we got about 15 minutes or so. What do we see? Let's see. Well, 3 seconds until this one closes. Yeah, so we officially now have 15 minutes until market open. So we got to be attentive to what's going on there. Because of what gold is doing, I'm going to switch this back to US 30 to just make it easier for me. All right, and we're going to watch that on the 1 minute and see what is happening here. Ryazaki said he's trading oil. Oil? Brava. Let's take a look at that. Alan said took 2 losses on gold. I can't see this because this thing is so annoying. Wait, let me see. All right, sells and recorded on the sell. Phew. Oh, recovered. I see. You recovered. Got you. Nice recovery, brother. Nice recovery. Black also says I always miss the London session. I'm just coming back from my work. Oh, okay, yeah. If you're working, yeah, that's tough. And if your setup's playing London session, I used to trade London session. For certain pairs, London session is a gold mine. Trust me. But I just can't, bro. It's 2 in the morning my time. I couldn't sustain it. It was too difficult for me. All right. 14 minutes till market open for New York. Let's see how this goes. What else you guys trading? Oil. So let's take a look at oil real quick. Let's take a look at oil. I think oil was crude. It's no XTI. I think that's what it is, right? XTI, yeah. I think so. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys. I think it's XTI, but let's take a look at oil. So the interesting thing about oil, look at this. It was consolidating here, right? This was September 5th. So this was all of yesterday. And then today, we kind of have a bigger consolidation zone. So that's very weird. Last thing I remember, or the last thing I can see, is we had price. This was the last high. Then we made a lower low. And this was the last lower high. Okay, so we're technically bullish. The thing I don't like, though, is that price hasn't broken this. So you know what we said about that. When we see things like this, price is usually gearing when it's doing all its stuff down here and flirting with these levels, it's usually gearing to go back up. So this whole area, right, might be a range. This entire area might be a range. But we got to wait to see. So let's go down to the 15, see if there's anything we can kind of capitalize on. Again, without break of structure, there's not really much. There is a gap here that price is respecting, or I thought was respecting. It's not even close. But this might be the next thing if we're going down. If you're bearish, this is what you're looking at. If you're bullish, you've got nothing to look at all. So this is your best case scenario. We'll put a alert there. Come back to it. Okay. And there's another one up there. We'll look at that later on. But as of right now, I don't know. So look what US 30 is doing. Okay. Higher low, higher high, lower high if it breaks this. Okay. We got to wait to see what is going on. Again, it's because we are so close. We're like 12 minutes away. So, excuse me. Marcus Adrian put the bow and arrow in there for those of us who scalp, the scalpers / snipers. But here I always get the New York session in the evening because if I come after work, then I get free time for those who come later. And after that, New York session opens. After that New York session opens. Okay. So you could still catch some trades, and that's not too bad. At least you get one session. If you miss both, then that's very hard. All right, guys, we have a couple minutes to New York session. So we need to see if we're going to call this a lower high, we need to see price break this low. All right. If price breaks this low, then we can. And even then, I'm not hopping into nothing. Zero. I'm not hopping into anything. This is not my zone. It's not my region. It's not my setup. It's not my pattern. I have zero reasons to hop into this trade. Zero. Okay. Oh, that's US 30. Let's go back and yeah, CHF, GBP CHF, and then also Euro. Let's see what Euro JPY is doing. Yeah, he's just been messing around all day, just doing nothing. You know what I mean? Just literally doing nothing. And this is why days where news happens, there's been a couple times where I've just literally decided I'm not trading today because I just know the market's going to be useless. All right, so here we are. Price is broken down here. You know what I mean? I'm not getting to nothing. Do with that with what you will. Market is about to open in 11 minutes. So it's going to be interesting. Let's play some music, bro. Actually, no, we'll get the stream. We'll get the stream. They'll shut the stream down if we play any copyrighted music. So let me leave that alone. Actually, I think I can still play some music. You guys just bear with me here. How can I do this? 1 second, guys. 1 second. 1 second. Nothing's happening to the stream. Your internet's not bad. It's just 1 second. I promise you. Give me 1 second and we will be right back. All right, cool. So let me do this. All right, let's see. All right, cool. Let me see if I can get you some music. All right. So let me see something here. All right, so price is starting to go towards the downside with GBP CHF. Okay, for US 30, price is right now just, I think people in the UK say waffling about. I think that's all that's happening. Let me see if I can play some music for you guys. First off, good morning to everybody. So let me play this first. Good morning, everyone. Good morning.
Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice. Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice.
This is gonna be our official good morning anthem. Could you guys hear that? Learning with Abby. Hey, learning with Adi. What's good? What's good? Okay, I think Raizaki heard it. That's gonna be our anthem, bro. That's gonna be our morning anthem. No non-copyrighted music. Exactly. It's gonna be fire. Oh shoot! So we just got a bit of a fake out. All right. Let's see what else we can play in here. I'm building a soundboard eventually, so that's why those sounds are in there. But what's this? Let me see. FC Mozart said, hey, guess who's back in the house? FC Mozart, baby. What up, Sing Shaders, Snails? Let's go.
Crafts and candlesticks, profits we gon' reap. Foreign money here, sowing seeds, kids. Currency exchange, the game's a chessboard. Forex wizardry, watching games forward. Indices rise and portfolio adored. We crack the code while you snoreboard. Foreign money, cashing in, climb the heights. Tickets flashing neon in the city lights. Trade, grind, succeed, fly speed bright. Living the dream, turn struggle into flight. Hustle global scale, getting at the pop.
Alright, that's enough. I've tried to get a couple songs made, so let me play some stuff that I got. Let's see. Mr. R. What's good, Mr. R? What's good? Let me see if I can get another song. Let's see. Okay, we have 7 minutes to New York Open. We're approaching that zone, guys. So we might get what we're looking for. Let's see. I want to see if I can get more songs in here for you guys. Hey, for those of you who just got to the I need to get a welcome song. I really need to get a welcome song. For those of you who just arrived, good morning, guys.
Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice. Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Professor said, I thought that was you saying that. Nah, it's not me. It's not me at all. Excuse me, you guys have me choking. That was not me. Good morning, everyone. I thought you thought it was me singing that too. That is not me, guys. That is not me. That is not me. Oh God. Punjabi songs like the tone. Hey, that's what's up. That's what's up. Crack me up listening to it. Right, Zaki said, wait, hold on. Sets the morning right. Exactly, bro. It's the best way to start our mornings. The best way. Oh gosh, look at what's happening on US 30. Ooh, brother. Bro, I'm gonna build you guys a soundboard, I promise, bro. These streams are about to get lit. But what I'm looking at, again, this is not my zone, so I wouldn't get in, but no, wait, let me check this. You know what? You know what, brother? Maybe. Just maybe. I'm not getting in, guys, but under normal circumstances, I may do this. I may. It really depends. We got to see what price does. Because it's New York Open, holy father, it might tap us out and shoot up. This is the zone I'm waiting for, guys. Just in case you have zone, I'm not doing a single thing. Okay? But I just want to show you guys some possibilities. Yeah? So, let's see. Let's see if it'll do that for New York Open. Let's see. Let's see. And then let's get some more music. I hope you guys are sticking to your plans as well, sticking to your strategies and your discipline. Don't break no rules. The objective of this game is to make money and to keep what you have. Don't break no rules. As you can see, I'm taking a bunch of paper trades, but nothing on my real accounts because it's not my setup. It's tempting, but temptation leads to ruin. Let's see. Short on US 100. Let me check US 100 one second. Let me see. Let's see. Nas 100. I mean, that's interesting. Anyways, let me go back to the 15. The 15 will tell me. You can see, right? Creating some problems, but because of how price broke, I'm actually more bullish. I would wait for price to retrace to this area before I get into anything, to be honest. I think you might be able to get away with something like this, okay? And push down. It is a reasonable, you know what I mean, level, but it's not my particular setup. If you want to go short, by all means, have at it. For me, I would wait for other things. Mozart said, today I'm on the demo listening to the stream. That's what's up, bro. I love that. I absolutely love that, bro. Just take it easy. Yesterday we won a trade. I think Mozart also won a trade. I think Marcus won a trade yesterday. You can be picky today. You won. You made some money yesterday. You can be picky. I'm not going into the weekend pissed. Exactly. You're exactly, bro. Exactly. For those of you who break your rules,
You're a bad boy. You're a bad boy.
Those of you who break your rules, you're a bad boy. Flip a coin, head buy, tail sell, done for the day. All right, Ryu. Be careful, man. Be super careful. Be super careful. We got 3 minutes until market opens. This is going to be super interesting. Marcus is laughing. Oh, man. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. We got 2 minutes actually till market opens, guys. Sit on your hands, man. Be patient. Don't do anything you're gonna regret. Be patient. All right, be super patient. This was supposed to thing. It's not really working out. So what I may do, Eric, your YouTube is not. This happens every so often now. What the heck is going on? Can you guys see me? Is the thing freezing? Because it's telling me now that my YouTube is not. Is it frozen? We can see you. No. Somebody else said no. You're good over here. Okay. This. I don't know what is going on over here. Let me see something. I don't know what to do about this. I'm definitely not going to end the stream. Guys, I apologize if the latency is bad and all that stuff. I don't know what's going on. All of a sudden, YouTube is telling me YouTube is not receiving. What's it say? YouTube is not. Let me move this. So YouTube is not receiving enough video to maintain smooth streaming. As such, view open widget. Okay. Error. YouTube is not receiving enough. Okay. The stream current bit rate is lower than recommended. We recommend that. All right. So what do you want me to do about it? Like, you want me to end the stream? I'm not ending the stream. My people are in here. I'm not ending the stream. You guys, I may have. Oh gosh, this sucks. But I may have to end the stream. If this continues, I may have to end the stream, guys. Just help me out here real quick. Can you guys? Is it consistent or is it bad? You're good. We can see and hear you. Okay. We'll leave it alone. How come this sell stop didn't activate? Okay, there you go. All right, guys. So it's 9:30. Let's see what happens. 9:30 just hit. Are we going to go to our zone first or are we going to plummet? Let's see what happens. I'm going to ignore this stream quality stuff for now. And then, yeah, we'll take it from there. We will take it from there. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. We can see. Okay, you're perfect over here. It's good. All right, cool. Bro, as long as y'all good, I'm good. All right, YouTube trying to stop the hustle, stop the grind. They ain't gonna stop the hustle. All right, there you go. So that did not work. All right, so we're getting to our level here now. This is where I want to focus in. So GPCHF, I love you and everything, but I'm going to focus on what I came here to do. You feel me? All right, so here is the zone that I'm actually looking at. All right, this is the one, because as you guys can see from this morning, this is what I was anticipating. It was this zone to tap for sure, but this zone, I said if price got to this zone, we should be reversing off of here. So we'll see what happens within this zone. Let's see, guys, guess what we're going to do? We're going to be patient. We're going to be incredibly patient because patience pays. All right? We're going to be incredibly patient. We're going to be incredibly patient. We're going to see what happens in this area. Professor, it was dumb to trade NFP, but yeah, you're right. Yeah, it might have actually. Let me just go there real quick. Oh, it's about to tap this as well. We'll stay focused for now. Yeah, okay. This is what we're looking at. Okay, because if it starts violating this area or it doesn't work within this area, then we're getting essentially what happened with NAS, where this is most likely going to continue to the upside. Let me see what's going on with NAS. So that's interesting. NAS barely did anything. It's like, right? That's why I say of the news, of the market open, out of the three pairs, SPX 500, NAS 100, and US 30, US 30 usually has the biggest impact. Always. It always gives you such a violent move. Let me see if I can, let me see. Let me switch to US 30. Good morning, pineapple. All right, so the reason why I don't like setups like this is if price breaks below this line right here, right? Let's say it breaks these lows or whatever the case is. Look at what my stop loss has to be. My stop loss has to be this tight. Sorry, this wide, right? So I'm not a fan of those because then look at my risk to reward. It's still a 1 to 2, but look how far I have to go. So I don't really like those, especially with days like this where price has been indecisive and crazy and stuff like that. I don't like to take setups like that. So we'll see how it goes. I'll be very cautious as to what's going on. Agent said nuts. Do you think US is 30 flipping bullish? It does that every day, bro. Almost every day. Let me show you the daily. Let me show you the thing here so you can see the candle. You see this? Okay, so we got taken on GPCHF. All right, let's focus for a second. You see this candle here? Look, the market opened over here, went all the way down, right? So we were bearish. Why is it doing that? That's weird. We were bearish, and then now it's pushing back up. I can't tell you how many times we've started the day. In fact, let me go to a different time frame. I think that'd be better. So for example, I'll give you another example. Let's go back a little bit on replay. Okay, let's start off. This was the start of the day. So, all right. So price starts the day off bearish. Okay, bearish. Look at this expansion towards the downside. And then as soon as we're getting close to New York session, look what starts happening. We start flipping. And now we are literally bullish. You see what I'm saying? So US 30 does this all the time. That's why I'm super careful with it. It does it all the time. So it could still come back around, but the way price is moving, it's best to just wait it out. Just wait it out. So this got taken out. But again, this was us just trying to catch the move down. But we would have had to wait for proper structure before we get into a trade, which I told you guys we did not have. We tried to do the same thing over here. Didn't work out. But yeah, guys, that's it for me. I have no trade today. Today's just one of those days for me. It might still find something up here to retrace from. I'm not going to touch it. When my zones get violated like this, usually the day is just not set up for me. I just leave it alone. I just walk away. So now that I'm a free man, what would you guys like to do? Because I know some of you guys are still in trades. I mean, we could still find a trade within this time frame, but I mean, look at what's happening, right? Price is broken above here, so I may have to look for something to retrace off of and go, this is too busy, and go towards the upside, right? So price didn't do what I wanted. I'm going to sit on my hands. That is that. All right? That is that. And this is what you guys got to learn to do. Just be patient. Because you know what happens to me today? Just like Mozart said, I can go into the weekend happy. I made some money yesterday. Didn't lose any money today. I'm a happy camper. I ain't got to kill myself. You see what I'm saying? I marked up the zone earlier because I knew price was going to come into the zone for news. I can get rid of it now that all that's gone. I can turn this back to this, and we can just kind of like watch and see what's going on. US what's called oil. We'll see. Let's see if we can get something else going on. Let's see. Let me take a look at, I can actually get rid of this as well now. I don't have to do this thing anymore. So let's take a look at some of these other pairs. Euro JPY is pushing towards the upside. GBP USD is just plummeting. Is just plummeting. Ooh, fancy. Gold. Holy. Whoever said Marcus's thing might have played out. Wait, which one were we looking at just now? Oh, it was this one. Yeah, Marcus. You were a bit early, but you were essentially really right about the direction. It's kind of a bummer that price didn't break these highs, so we will see what happens on the next couple of days. Now price is starting to look. This is like the last zone of resistance, which yesterday we used to go towards the upside. And if you actually draw it over, you can see it is quite the zone actually, right? So this will be very interesting to see how this plays out. Again, I'm not a gold trader, so take it with a grain of salt. I'm a US 30 guy. Huh. What you finna do, US 30? This is interesting. Professor said stopped out. Okay, NDQ. Really? Wait, what? No way. Oh my goodness. Marcus, you would have made some money if you sold. Because price came right back down to that zone. All right, let's see what happens here. I'm telling you right now, there's a high chance I'm not going to take a trade on NOS 100, especially with the way things have been today, but we shall see. We shall see. You guys, all I'm looking for, it may sound like I'm being picky, I just want a clear setup, like a proper clear setup that doesn't look wonky. Those are the best setups that you can take to either make your money or preserve your money, all right? What I'm seeing right now, not really great, but we'll see what happens. We'll keep these two together. In fact, let's do one of these. Let's see if we can do one of these. Gosh, stop doing that. All right, so we will do, yeah. Don't care. All right, so over here, let's go back to the 1 minute. Let's take a look at what's happening here. And then on here, we can go to US 30. Oops. We can go to US 30 and see what's happening. All right. So we got to be very careful as to how we play our cards here. Guys, very, very careful. Sit on your hands. Yeah, bro, I went in big with one account. Nice. Nice. So Marcus took this trade, guys. Marcus took this trade. And he said he went to bed. Are you still in the trade? Marcus is having one of those good days. He took a trade on gold today during NFP. He won that trade. And now he's taking a trade on NASDAQ 100. And he is making money. All right. All my zones are getting violated today. So don't look like a good setup for me. But we will see what happens. Bird said, how are you guys? Hey, Bird. Welcome. We're doing good. How you doing? We should play the song for Verd. Should we play the song for Verd, guys, to welcome him this morning? What should we do? But it's all good. I shouldn't be awarded for trading NFP. Yeah, but you're also an experienced trader, so you kind of know what to do within these situations. New traders, I would say, yeah, stay away. But some people do trade the news and are very profitable and, make that money. You're not in anymore. Okay. Learn what Adib said. We should play the song for Verd. All right, guys, we're going to play the song. We're going to play the welcome song. Verd, if you're here, good morning to you, sir.
Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice. Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice.
Good morning, Verd. Welcome to the chat. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the live, baby. Good morning to you. Good morning. All right. So you guys, look at this. Look how price is just absolutely. It did this on gold. It's doing this on NAS. And it's doing this on US 30, but the other way. So when you have, this is why most of the time for news, I just walk away. Price doesn't follow its usual regimen, right? On NAS 100, I can't tell you a time where NAS has done something like this on a regular day. It always has to be news induced every single time, right? So you have to, streams vid is a bit blurred on maybe from my end, I guess. No, the YouTube gave me a warning earlier saying that my bitrate is slow for some reason. So I might have to restart the live. I don't know. We'll see what ends up happening. But for some reason, my stream this morning, apparently it's just not working. Let me see if I can find, give me 1 second, guys. Guys, my data, I have 1 gigabyte per second internet speed. So let me see if I can do a quick check. 1 second, guys. Okay, I'm turning off the screen. Nothing's wrong with the stream. It's just me turning it off to check something real quick. All right, don't panic. Do not panic. All right, I'm just checking something real quick. All right, so let me turn the screen back on. You guys remember yesterday we were telling Marcus that this is who he should be. I'm going to go to a website called fast.com. It's supposed to tell me what my internet speed is for today. Because that will make some sense as to, like, if my speed is slow today, that will make sense as to why my internet is 650. Aish. It's supposed to be 1 gigabyte per second. Now, I know, like, it's not always going to be that fast, but on the most part, I'm always in, like, the 7, 8, sometimes 900 range. So my internet is kind of, like, halved today. Maybe it's the bandwidth. Maybe it's some other stuff going on. Okay, we'll see. I might have to configure some settings on my router and see what happens, guys. And see what happens. Marcus said it's good on his end. Vert said he's doing fine. Are you doing fine, as in you're doing great this morning, or the stream is good? Sneaking into the live from my job. Oh, shoot. Shout out to you, Verd. You're a real one, but don't get fired, okay? If it gets kind of hot in there, just cut it off. We can always catch each other another time. Got to make your money, brother. Got to make your money. In fact, you are streaming at work, Verd? You know what that makes you?
You're a bad boy. You're a bad boy.
Bad boy. You're a bad boy. Good morning, pineapple. Bird, you are a bad boy. So you guys look what's happening on US 30 and NAS 100. You can see they're kind of forming the same thing, but in different zones, right? So not a great morning. Not a great morning. It's already 3 p.m. here. Oh, wow. Where are you at, Bird? Where are you at? 3 p.m. Wow. It's 9:43 in the morning for me, brother. So I hope the stream gets a little bit better. It's not supposed to be blurry. My internet speed is 6 megabytes per second speed. It's all good, bro. It's all good. It's all good, brother. As long as you can see the stream, that's all that matters. All right, so look what price is doing, just completely going haywire. All right, so days like this, it doesn't work for me. Learn with the deep said it's 7:44 p.m. Damn, where are you guys? You guys in like the other side of the universe? Sheesh, you guys are far away. Far away. It's cool now, bruv. Guess it was from my end. I don't think it was your end, bro. Trust me. We had some problems this morning. So I think it was it was mine. Professor said, bad boy. Yeah. Oh, you're Mozambique. Oh, yes. I remember. That's correct. That's fire. I've never been to Mozambique. Maybe one day I'll go check it out. Learn what Didi said. I'm from Bangladesh. Welcome That is so fire, but we have people from all over the world. That is amazing. Did you guys check out the my Instagram stories yesterday where you guys were in the live and putting the fire emojis and saying hi? If you haven't seen it, go check it out. I don't know if it's still in my stories, but go check it out. Guys, I'll share this with you guys later. I don't want to ruin it. I'll share it with you guys later. This is so fire. But yeah, man, go if you haven't seen it, go check out the live. You guys are gonna see how cool it was to have you guys on the stream yesterday. It was pretty fire. Pretty fire. Right? Zaki said 9:44. 9:44? Bro, what is so you are literally 12 hours away. What side of the universe? Are you in universe 7 or universe 9? For those of you guys who watch Dragon Ball Z Super or Dragon Ball Super, you'll get the reference. What universe are you guys in? That is insane. That's so cool though. That is so cool. I saw it. It was awesome. Yeah, man. It was so cool to have everybody on there, man. It was amazing. All right, Zaki's in Malaysia. Okay. Well, I had a friend from Malaysia when I was in grade 7. I had a friend from Malaysia. His name was Mohsin. So that's pretty cool. 4:45 in Kuwait. Oh, wow. Kuwait. That is fire, bro. That is fire. You guys, drop your flags too. When you tell me where you are, drop your flags if you can find it in the emojis. If not, it's all good. But I would love to see you guys' flags as well. That is so fire. Super, super fire. Super, super fire. Rankar said, hi, guys. What's good, Rankar? Rankar, what's good? What's good? What's good? 4:45 p.m. I see. Oh, wow. Damn. You are, what, 7 hours? 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4. 7 hours. I was good. I was right. Wow. You guys are in some parts of the universe. That is absolutely amazing. 3:46 p.m. over here. Karis the third. Wow. Bro, I didn't know so many of you guys are like, shout out to all of you guys who support the stream, especially from the universes you're in. Some people are in universe 9, some are in universe 11. Bro, that's fire. That is so fire. You wanna fire only or Denver fire, man? I'm sorry, I don't know what you're saying. Are you asking if I want a flag only or something else? Please help me out here. Oh, Dean is from Nigeria. Hey, Nigeria. Yo, what's good? What's good? Nigeria, baby, what's good? Saw it as well. It was fire. Yeah, it was absolute fire, bro. I had you guys in there. It was so sick. All right, so we've finally hit this zone on oil. Let's see if we can find a setup on oil. That would be interesting. We've broken out this consolidation. We're in here now. Let's see what occurs. We're going to keep an eye on this. I am going to set an alert for... Actually, no, let's just keep this over here. Because to be honest, I don't think anything's going to happen with US 30. Black Owl says 7:18 in India. Black Owl, you in India, bro? That is fire, bro. Shout out to my Indian brothers. Khalid said, big like for you, man. Oh, I appreciate it, man. I appreciate it. Thank you. Let me see if I could play something for you. Man. I need a thank you. No, I don't have anything. I'm getting all these sounds from my soundboard, and unfortunately, I don't have anything that is, that is good for people like you. So I'll find something, okay? But thank you so much. I appreciate it. Black Hole said PM. Okay, got you. Mr. R said 7:17 in India. Sheesh, bro. That's insane. Vert said Mozambique flag. Mozambique, baby. That's what's up. Karis, what's up, neighbor? Oh, Vert is from I guess he's a neighboring country to you. And Alan Monk said gold retracing from 15-minute lows. All right, we'll take a look at gold. Man, I'm all over the place this stream. I'm all over the place. We got to see. Okay, so first let me just do this. Give me one sec, guys. I got to make sure I'm on top of this game here. I'm going to say price violated FVG. Okay. That way, when it happens, right, I can get notified. And then we have these two going on. So over here, let's go back to gold. Let's check out gold real quick. Bro, that same zone as yesterday. Gold is moving. See gold? What time is it? 9:49? Interesting. We'll see. We'll keep an eye on gold. Bro, we got a lot to look at this morning. So unfortunately, none of my stuff happened or worked out, played out. But that's okay. I made money yesterday. I'm good. So yeah, we've got to see what happens with some of these other ones here. We're going to take a look at oil. We're going to take a look at gold. You know what I should do? I should do that on this one here. Let's have gold and oil in the same spot. So we have oil right here. and we have gold right here. Perfect. All right, we're gonna watch these two and see how it plays out. John Zulu said 1549 in South Africa. Yo, we have a lot of South Africans in the Discord, in the chat, as subscribers. Shout out to South Africa. Much love, baby. Welcome to the chat. Welcome to the live. Hey, listen, for those of you who are here for the first time, we didn't say good morning to you. So we're going to play you our good morning song, all right? Good morning for those of you who are joining for the first time.
Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice. Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice.
Good morning to everybody who's joining the live. Love to have you guys here. 2:47. Oh, I'm sorry, 16:50. So 4:50 in Estonia right now. Sheesh, Marcus. That is, you are well into the afternoon. Ranker said 2:47 p.m. in Morocco. Oh, I want to go to Morocco one day as well. That's fire. Everybody's laughing. Good morning, people. Good morning. Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the live, man. We are gonna, if we can't make money, we're at least gonna make each other smile, right? So let's get to it. So we can see here oil is starting to retrace a little bit. Not too bad. We need to see it form correctly. Gold, I'm scared of gold, so I will not enter, even though I suspect it might be going the other way for at least a bit, right? Because we had gold essentially giving us, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. And then it gave us a lower high and a higher high in a sense. And now we have but it's not what I want. I needed to really break with some volume before I can get in for a trade. So we shall see how, as my Africans would say, we will see where the power lies. We will see where the power lies. People are still laughing. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, man. I'm telling you, I'm going to get a soundboard. It's going to be lit, bro. I'm going to get the best sounds and we will have some fun. I can't wait for our next milestone so we can do more giveaways and stuff like that. Which is another thing. The last giveaway I had to do was stressful because I had to buy all these accounts manually. Eventually, Goat Funded Trader seemed like they were trying to block my crypto address. So that created complications. People weren't getting their stuff right away. It was a bit of a nightmare. I spent all day. What I'd have to do is that I would have to pull up the person's information that they got from filling out the form, and then I'd have to confirm because addresses are different from different parts of the world, and the form was missing, I think, the city or the province, so that was a bit of an issue. I had to update it. But long story short, it was a nightmare. The next time I do a giveaway, I'm hoping I can reach out to a prop firm and I can say, hey, listen, I am doing a giveaway for my people. Is there any way I can pay you guys up front and you just give me a code and I can give to the people? That's what I'm going to try to do. All right, so we'll see what occurs there. So oil is, dropping very nicely, not too bad. And look at this, guys. Goat Funded Trader, man, they're not the best people. Cause look at this. Where's my messages? I messaged them saying, hey, I'm a YouTuber. I want to speak to someone about the giveaways. I reached out to your customer store. They told me to DM you guys on here. What I specifically want to know is if I want to give away 20 accounts, how would I go about it? Do I need to buy all the accounts individually, or can we work out something where I can pay you guys a lump sum and your team provides me with a code that I can use to do giveaways? You guys see what time I sent this? Wednesday, 9:23 p.m. It is now Friday. No one has gotten back to me. I will never give a shout out to GoFunded Trader. And even if we do another giveaway, I will never buy accounts from them because I heard their customer service sucks. And now I'm seeing it for myself. So GoFunded Trader, if you ever watch this, you guys are horrible. I don't care what you guys say. Terrible customer service. There's no reason why you can't get back to somebody. People were complaining about it. It's terrible. Awful. In fact, GoFunded Trader, this is what I have to say about you.
You are a bad boy. You are a bad boy. You are a bad boy.
You're a bad boy, Goat Funded Trader. You guys are not good. All right? You guys are not good. Before you give the giveaway, can you make the course video? Yes, I'm working on it with the mod, guys. By the way, making a course is not easy. Making a course is not easy. Making a course is not easy. So, I'm doing my best. All right, guys. Look, I'm working on a website right now. I have my laptop open. I'm working on a website. You guys are making me laugh now. I'm working on a website right now to have the course and the one-on-one calls and stuff like that. So, guys, give me till about the weekend is over. Everything should be in motion. All right. I'm a one-man army. The only person I got really helping me is Caramel, and Caramel is saving lives during the day and helping me at night as best as he can. So, just bear with us. All right. Oh God, you guys got me dying in the comments. So. That's what we got going on here. We're still waiting to see how gold responds, how oil responds. Oil is pushing. I love the way it's moving, but we got to be very careful. There is, as of right now, we still have oil giving us higher highs and higher lows. We need to see some other shift in structure, something, you know what I mean? Where we can say, okay, maybe gold, oil is going towards the downside now. So we got to be patient, guys. We got to sit on our hands and be patient. It's the best way we can keep our money, at least, right? We made some money this week. We got to at least preserve it. We don't want to trade wonky or, any like gambling setups and lose the money that we worked hard to obtain. All right. So let's be patient. But right now it's respecting this fair value gap. I love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Hope you guys had a great trading week so far. I know some of you guys are probably in a trade or just came out your trades, just exited your trades. Whatever your position is, I hope you guys are having a wonderful time. K-Dot is probably going to join us later on because he's usually active in here. He's probably trading a crazy setup, so I'm interested to see what K-Dot is doing. But K-Dot, he be pulling some crazy trades. But yeah, man, we're going to have a good time, man. It's a Friday, so... You know what I mean? Let's maybe we should play some music. I played some money and I played some music earlier on and it was a little interesting. I had some songs made. I was trying to get a intro song made. Let me see if I can find another one. Let's see if I can find these, bro. I have so many files. I have an external drive of like 1 terabyte and my computer's still full. Okay. I just so much stuff going on here. Let's see. Where are the songs at? Let's see. Let's see. Hell no. I think you guys have heard this in one of my videos.
Woke up in the
No, not that. Sheesh. Nope. I think I use this one for sure.
Wake up in the morning, stocks up on my mind. Gotta check the market to see what I can find. Buy low, sell high, that's the main design.
Yeah, I use
Watch
this.
my portfolio grow like a vine.
Alright, that's enough. That's another one. Nah. It's hardcore raw.
Woke up in the morning light, city's buzzing, cars in sight. Got my hustle feeling right, trading in the hood, alright.
Gold is
Corners
moving.
busy, money flow. In the hustle, people grow. Markets moving fast and slow. Trading in the hood, let's go. In the hood, trading game.
Trading in the
Every
hood.
face knows your name. We ain't looking for fame, just trading in the hood all day.
Trading in the hood. If you're trading in the hood, bro, put some flame emojis, bro. Put some fire emojis.
Hustle never hide. Trading in the hood with pride. Goals and dreams all collide. People working
Alright, that's enough. You're trading in the hood. Throw some. Oh my gosh. Fire emojis in the chat. Adrian's asking if I use AI. Yes, for some of it. Some of it to generate lyrics, some of it to compose and all that stuff. Fire emojis in the chat. If you trade in the hood, that's what's up, bro. We traded in the hood. We try to make it out the mud. That's what's up. You know what I should do? I need to get like pyrotechnics. I need some flamethrowers. I need some smoke. You know, when the beat drops, and then I put my shades on and we go crazy. Oh man. We in the hood. Mozart said that's awful. Oh yeah, Mozart, you make beats. Okay, Mozart, I challenge you to make me an intro song. How about that? Or at least something close to. Let's see what you got. Because you're literally called Mozart. You better not disappoint. I'm going to play it on live. And we're going to put up a poll. We're going to put up a poll right now that says, whose song is better? The AI generated one that was composed or Mozart? We're going to see. Trading in the oil. Yeah, this is oil right now. We have oil. Wait, am I reading that right? Trading in the oil music. I don't know if I want to do trading in the oil music. That sounds a little problematic. Kazi, trading in the Kazi / hood. Got you. I'll send you a zip file. All right, cool. Where you want me to send it to? You can send it to my email. I'll put my email up here. I have a business email. Put it in the chat. Or can you DM me on Instagram? That'd be a lot better. If you don't have Instagram, fine. I think you're in the Discord, I think. Yeah, because we spoke in Discord. DM me in one of those areas and I'll send you everything to take it from there. Yeah, man. In fact, let's find more music to play. Yeah, yo, some of these songs are hilarious. Let's see. I use some of these songs in my... But the thing is, guys, finding copyright-free music is very difficult, right? So I have to find curious ways to get this done. Let's see. You guys heard this one as well. I'll hit you on Discord. All right, scene.
Just climb, boost charging.
I'm in the market.
Green
Yeah!
on the bargain. Candlestick flicker. Tick tock the ticker. Buy low, sell high, get rich
Yo.
quicker. IPO dreams, replay on them schemes. Forex roulette, clutching at the
Mozart, what you gotta say about this?
Trade addiction,
Huh?
Forbes in my vision. Bears in hibernation.
Oh,
We
shoot.
on a
We're
bullish
missing out on the
mission.
oil. We're missing
Trade
out on
winds
the
blow.
oil. Okay, shoot. Oil is starting to give us what we want over here. Okay, now guys, this is not my setup. What is going on here? This is not my setup, but again, we're looking for some sort of bearish structure change. So let's do this. Let's put a pending order right here to sell when oil gets to this level. Stop loss right there. Aim for 1 to 2. See if we'll go back into the area of consolidation. That's really what I'm going to be looking at. All right, for now. This is my first hypothesis. Again, this is not how I trade. If you guys already seen me trade, you know, that is not it. But it's just to get an idea. All right. Let me move this down slightly because you want thing to clearly break it. Clearly. Like that. And then so now I have to adjust this so that the risk to reward makes more sense. And this is no fun. Let's do like 100 units at least. What would that be? $46? Maybe one lot. Or whatever. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Alright, new low on Nas. Got you. Yeah, see. But look at US 30. I don't know about this, man. I'm just gonna leave it alone. This is not my setup. I'm just gonna be patient and let it be. New low on Nas. Nas is just falling. So it went into the area that we were supposed to go into. It just didn't give us what we were looking for, unfortunately. Oh no, that's Nas. US 30 went to it, didn't give us what we were looking for. Nas, we were anticipating price may retrace, and it did not. It's just falling to the ground, so that's not good for us. We have gold and thing now going at it, so we will see how that plays out. Thank you, babe. Appreciate you. Wife brought me some breakfast, guys. Everybody say hi. Babe, say hi.
Hi.
Everybody say hi. This is, you guys call her Mrs.
Hi,
Foreign Money.
Money family.
You guys call her Mrs. Foreign Money. Say hi, everybody. Say hi. Let me see if I can get this on the thing. What time are you leaving?
Right now.
Right now, eh? Yeah, no? Okay.
Yeah.
What time are you doing today?
3:30.
Oh, okay.
Hi, Foreign Money family.
Everyone's saying hi. That's what's up. That's what's up. That's what's up. Best family on YouTube, bro. I promise you. Yeah. These guys.
Alright, I love you. I gotta go.
Okay, love you too, baby. I'll see you later, all right? Hit me up
Call
when you
you're
get there.
done, okay?
Yo, my towel.
Alright.
Okay. I'll check the cameras too to see if you're free first. All right. Yo. Okay, baby. Who said tea time? Huh? Who said tea time? Who said tea time?
What did he say?
Huh?
You're a bad boy. You're a bad boy.
Very bad boy.
You're a bad boy.
Huh? Tea time. Somebody said play the morning stuff for. Oh shoot, it's too late. I'll send it to her in a text. Excusez-moi. All right, so US oil is kind of moving a little interesting, might give us what we're looking for. So guys, you know how I'm waiting for it to cross and get in. This is just me trying to catch the breakout, but honestly, you want to wait for it to break, give you maybe a retracement or some sort of clear indication it wants to go down before you hop back in. All right, so don't trade like this. This is not a signal. Play the good morning song for her. Y'all are in the still in the morning. It's 4 p.m. here. Yeah, it's still 10 o'clock, bro. It's still 10 o'clock. Crazy. Hi, Mrs. Foreign. She heard most of you guys.
Let me hear the good morning.
Oh, she came back. She heard. She said, let me hear the good morning song. Okay, so I have to switch from my headphones to out loud. So give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. All right, let me put the volume up for this.
Morning, fam.
You ready?
Yeah. Which song?
Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice. Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice.
Good morning.
Morning.
All right, babe, let me see you later. You guys got her to come back in here. She somehow heard you guys. That is funny. She's dying. She just left, though. That is hilarious. I got to switch now to headphones. You guys are bad, man. You guys are bad. Oh, my gosh. That is funny. Let me have some of my sandwich here real quick. I am dying of starvation. Entertaining you guys is no joke. Boy, that's a damn good sandwich. All right, so in oil, we are heading towards the downside. It looks like we caught the nice breakout, guys. Let's see if we can get a nice 1 to 2. I'm not taking this trade for real, so do with this what you will. It's not a signal, but that's what I was looking at. All right, maybe for retraces, I might get back in. That's your bad boy clip. Just cracks me up. Yeah. Your bad boy clip is really funny, man. Trust me. If you see the original clip, it's super hilarious. Super hilarious. So this is what we're looking at for oil, guys. I think gold is not really looking great. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch this to XTI. Oops. So that I can... Oh, my keyboard. You guys remember last time I had to change my keyboard? I was acting crazy. Okay, perfect. I think we're good now. By the way, guys, do any of you guys game? Do any of you guys game at all? I know Carmelo does. Carmelo games, but I don't know about you guys. Do you guys game? If you guys get, in fact, let me ask. Let me put up a, yeah, a WTI is a nice setup. Okay, there we go. I'm trying to get back in there. There we go. Wait. Did we not? Which one did we get into? What the heck? Which one are we on right now? WTI. FX open. Okay. Why can't I see FX open? Oh, is it because I already have it open? Is that... You know what? Just to avoid any issues, let me do this. Let me add this to the watch list. Yes, and then that way, I can simply just scroll through. Magic, people. Magic. Pardon me. Yeah, bad boy clip. You're popular around here. Yeah. You're from Nigeria, right? So I know that clip is hilarious. I did game, but now I watch anime. Got you. Anime's fire. What anime do you guys watch? Let me know, because I haven't watched anime in a hot minute, so maybe I can get back in. Call of Duty Mobile. Is anybody on Xbox at all? I never bought a PS5, and I didn't buy the new Xbox either because I don't game that much. I still have my old Xbox. But if you guys game, I might buy a new system. I'm that serious. So I'm thinking on Saturdays we can all chill and game. That's what I'm thinking. So we'll see. I'm buying gold, waiting new high. Got you. We'll take a look at gold just now. Yeah, COD, Free Fire, Shadow Fight 4, COC and PC games. Got you. Oh, that's fire. You know what? My favorite Call of Duty was originally Black Ops 2, and then after Black Ops 2 we have Cold War. Cold War was my second favorite. So Black Ops 6 is out. I don't know. I hear mixed reviews about it. I might try it if you guys game. We might do that. Also, Destiny. I was a heavy Destiny gamer when Destiny 1 came out. Destiny 2 I never got to get into, but if anybody plays Destiny, let me know. We could do some raids and all that. Did you watch Overlord? No, I did not. I'm watching My Hero Academia. Oh, yo, you guys, I gotta clip this or something, bro, so I can remember to check all of these out with you guys for sure. What was I gonna do just now? I was gonna show you guys something. My brain is all over the place. What was I gonna do? Shoot. I can stream on my YouTube too. I'll be down for that. Yeah. Gaming, bro. We should definitely do something with gaming, guys. Trust me. PUBG. I never tried PUBG, but I can try. I'm eating, so I don't want to gross you guys out. So this is what oil is looking like. Don't reverse on us, bro. Just hit our TP so we can all have a good day. You know me. All or nothing, baby. If it comes back up in here, I'm going to get into one more. Get into one more. Put the stop loss here. Just like that. TP. Just like that. If it does that. I hope it doesn't. But you can see what's going on, right? Even from the 1 minute structure, look what happened. We were going up. We went down. We went up. Down some more. Up again. Right? So technically, we're forming bullish structure, and then now we're doing this thing. So it could be retracing off of these levels to go back towards the upside. I hope not. I hope we made the right decision. But that's what I was looking at. Yeah, man. So if you guys game, hit me up. I would love to. I'm thinking of Saturday now. Saturdays can get super busy for me as well. Because one, I got to spend time with my wife, and she's busy because one of our businesses, she's managing physically. So Saturdays are one of the busiest days of the week for that business. So she's usually done like 8 in the evening. And then I try and use Saturdays to do all the work I couldn't do throughout the week and prep for Sunday. Cause Sundays I go to church and I'm involved in church and all that. So Saturdays can be busy, but there are some times I could spare, like in the evening, a couple hours to game. And I remember Destiny, bro. We used to do Destiny raids, bro. Who remembers, if you guys played Destiny, who remembers Oryx, the Fallen King, or the Taken King? I'm sorry, the Taken King and stuff like that. Those raids were like 6 to 8 hours, bro. Oh my gosh. I remember when I used to game, right? When we first got married. So I've been with my wife. We're getting November, which is in a month or so, is going to be 10 years for us that we've been married. When I first got married, I used to come home, spend a little time with her and then game. But some of these games, because it was Destiny, was taking forever. And one time my wife was like, babe, I did research on this game. It breaks up marriages. I don't want you to play no more. She's like, we don't spend time. I'm like, all right. So I had to cut it out a little bit and stuff like that. But as life also picked up, you have responsibilities, you're married now and stuff like that. You don't really find the time to game. Oh God, somebody's asking what kind of business you have. I'll disclose them later on, but we have 4. We have 4 businesses. I'll disclose them later on, guys. I promise. And my wife is supposed to come on stream one of these days. All right, so you guys will get to know me more and things of that nature. I promise. All right, just be patient with me. Oil down. Oil down. This good. We need, okay, I'm done. We need this to break structure, and if it breaks structure, then we're headed in the right direction. Oi. Dean said, wow, 10 years, you're in your 30s, I guess. Yes, I am. Amazing, man. I envy you. Oh, man, I appreciate it, bro. I always pray that everybody finds their soulmate. It's the thing that changed my life for sure. Finding a wife, as the Bible says, he who finds a wife finds a good thing and obtains the favor of the Lord. So trust me, my life changed completely when I met my wife. When I met my wife, bro, I was broke. Yo, let me see if I can show you guys old. Now, you know what? The internet is forever. I'm not showing you guys no old pictures. No way. No way. But you know what? One day I will probably do a video of like how it all started, and maybe you guys can see your boy when he was broke, when your boy was a brokey, when your boy was making no money. You guys might be able to see that. So, WTI moving nicely, absolutely. But yeah, you guys might be able to see that. Right now, I don't know if I want to share that on the internets, right? Not good for me. I'm long in WTI. Oh shoot, Ryuzaki, I told you to be careful. Ryuzaki, I told you to be careful, brother. Told you. All right, gold is heading very nicely towards our TP. I keep saying gold. WTI. All right, so let me see if I can get this recorded for Instagram. Maybe we can do another say hi to the chat type clip. We'll see. All right, so we are in this trade. It's not a live trade. It's a paper trade, but we started to look at oil today because one of our family members in the foreign money family decided that we should take a look at oil. So we're in this oil trade right now. It's a paper trade, but it's looking pretty good. Who knows? We might add it to our repertoire of pairs and start making some oil trades. So far, so good. It's the family right here. Boy, let's see if I can put this. Yeah, there's the family right there. Say hi, people. Say hi. You might be in today's story again. Say hi, everybody. Say hi to the chat. Put some fire emojis in the chat. Say what up. You're going to be on Instagram stories later on. Still scared of retracement. I think there's a lag on this stream. There we go. There we go. Put some fire emojis in the chat, guys. Say what up. Say what up. What up. What up. That's what's up, people. That's what's up. That's what's up. All right. So oil is moving very nicely. We'll take a look at gold. Somebody else wants me to look at gold as well. Ooh, gold is retracing like you said. Very nice. What up, what up? Let your name be seen in history, bro. Let everybody see that you were here on this live, the greatest live stream on YouTube, man. We have the best family, the best community. We are the absolute best. Let them know you were here. We out here. Dean, that is exactly how you're supposed to say it. We out here, bro. Exactly. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. This is so lit, bro. I love you guys, man. You guys are the best. The absolute best. And we're about to hit TP. All things going right. This is so cool. This is so cool. Alrighty. Alrighty. Whew. All right. We're about to hit TP. God willing, this goes through. Oh, I just seen... Yo, Marcus. I'm gonna check them out. After. I just seen your message. Oh, man. I'm excited. And I appreciate you doing that, by the way. Really and truly. All right, guys. I'm gonna end the clip here. All right. I'm gonna end the clip here. Put this away for a sec. We are about to hit TP. Price is just retracing... excuse me, a little bit. If we start to see really, because remember, we're in this consolidation area, you know. We have to be very careful. We're in this area where price was consolidating. And the top of this consolidation, the previous one is right here. So luckily for us, our TP is just above it. But usually price likes to go within the middle of ranges. So we should hit TP. But if we start to see price reversing, it's probably because this is a very strong zone for consolidation. All right, so just keep that in mind. If you're actually in this trade, again, don't take this trade. It is not a signal. But if you did... you know what I mean? Then do you move your stop loss to entry point? I've done it a couple times, guys. At this point, I would say close a good portion of your position or just let it ride out. Because at this point, if price is reversing to your TP, what's the point of waiting all the way? Just close a good portion and then maybe you can move your stops to break even. But I personally stopped doing that because it's just really chops up my risk to reward ratio over a long period of time. This bearish FEG at the top where oil dropped from was based on which time frame? This one in particular was, I believe, the 15. Oh, there you go. Oh, 15 minute. I see it. There you go. Yeah. So this was the 15. All right. Looking good, looking good. We need a celebration song, bro. Mozart, are you still in here? I think he left because he's working and all that stuff as well. But if Mozart was in here, I'd play his favorite song. We need a celebration song for when we hit TP. Or now I should say if. But here's what I'm looking at right now. Obviously, we can see we have this level here. We're hoping price will hold at this level. We don't want to see price breaking above it, even though it can break above and then still go down. We don't want to see, we want to see price respecting that. We also have a gap right under it. So you want to see price respecting bearish gaps as well. If you start to see it violating them, then you're like, oh, it's not the best look. It means we might actually be going the other way. In the meantime, gold is doing that thing I told you guys about when price is supposed to be going down consistently like this, right? Oops, that was a bad one. But like this, like consistently going down. And then because it's supposed to bounce off of like the last, swing low and then go down, but it's not doing that. It's kind of like coming up like this, flirting with this zone a bit and going down. And when you see it doing stuff like this and it's hovering around this area, it's usually looking for something to do this. All right, it feels like that's what gold is doing. Gold might actually be reversing. But we got to wait it out to see. Not showing reversing signs as well. Let's see. Okay, let's take a look. It is in, even on the 1 minute or so, you can see this area here seems to be incredibly strong for whatever reason. I'm sure there's a better explanation for it on a higher time frame, but Nas is having a hard time breaking this level. So who knows? We might actually get a reversal like Alan Mug was saying. K-Dot, so what's good? K-Dot, I've been waiting for you all day. All right? I've been waiting for you all day. Vert said sup dot. K-Dot, we're good. We got to welcome you properly this morning. Everybody who came in got their good morning song. So K-Dot, this is our good morning song to you.
Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice. Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice.
Good morning, K-Dot. Good morning. Welcome back to the stream. Welcome back to the live. Welcome back to the chat. Good morning, brother. Hope you're doing great. I was just talking about you. Raisaki's putting the singing emoji. I was just talking about you earlier, saying that I know you're probably taking one of these like 1 to 8, 1 to 9 trades and stuff like that. But it seems like you just got home from school. So Bert said this cracks me up. Where did you find the sound from, LMAO? Is that a soundboard? It's not a soundboard. I'm trying to build one. It's just an audio file I have on my computer. But I'm going to build a soundboard. Marcus put the dab emoji. Good morning, K-Dot. Welcome back, bro. Welcome back. Right now, we're in an oil trade. We're waiting to see how price handles that. We were almost at TP, but now it's kind of going back. So we'll see what happens. But did you take any trades today, man? Very curious to see if you took any trades. US 30 didn't go my way at all, so I didn't take any trades. All right. Even though it got to this level and kind of retraced, it's not a setup I would have taken. Marcus's, when we got here, Marcus said, bro, I think it should sell. And then when I saw this, I'm like, that looks interesting. That looks like it should break down. But I wasn't sell biased. I was buy biased. So I waited for my zone. Price ran through my zone. Didn't really do much there and then went down. So I didn't take any setups today at all. In fact, this is the only setup we've taken today. Well, this and GBPCHF. We took one on GBPCHF. But it wasn't even like real. It was more so like to illustrate how to get into a trade. Just to like catch the thing. And look, it ended up doing this instead. So I guess right direction, wrong entry. You see what I'm saying? But again, not really how we trade anyways. So let's take a look at, where were we over here? We were at, oh, it was oil, and I think it was oil. Wait, what do we have over here? Was it US 30? Oh man, look at how thing formed though. SPX 500 was a lot better actually, but none of my regions It didn't go into like this. There's no regions here for me to kind of get into. So wouldn't have. Oh wait, that was use 30. SPX. Bro, I might be tripping, bro. Oh no, oh, what the heck happened to SPX? But no, it still gave us a good. Let me see what happened here. Oh wow. Yeah, I drew this on one of these already. Did I not? SPX 500. Let me see. No, I did not. Okay, but anyways. Oh, I said I wasn't gonna really mark it out because it was too wide, but it ended up being the gap that it used to go down. Right? It ended up being that. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool, but it is what it is. I don't trade too many things at the same time, so it's all goody. We were looking at US 30, I believe. Yeah. All right, so we need one for the afternoon. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can find a good afternoon song. Nah, no trades, just got home. I'm about to hop on the charts right now. Got you. Let me know what your setups look like. I'd be very curious to see. You had on the left side. WTI you had on the left. Oh, so I had WTI over here. Oh, okay, my fault. I thought it was that, but I wasn't too sure. I don't know why. Oh, I think we hit TP. Yes, sir, we hit TP. Fire emojis in the chat. We hit TP, guys. Fire emojis in the chat. For those of you who were in the oil trade, who wanted to look at oil, I hope you had a very good take profit. I hope you made good money. I hope you are as happy as one can be. That is fire. Why is this like this? Oh, it's the other one. There we go. That is absolutely fire. Fire emojis in the chat, bro. Fire emojis in the chat. We don't even trade oil, but you know, maybe I'm gonna start looking at it if it moves so smoothly like this, because this was really, the structure formed pretty well, to be honest. It's a sale, yeah. Oh God, I think I have that one. Excuse me. I think I have that one, bro. Let me see if I can find it. I think I have that one. Oh man, I'd have to go so far back though. I'd have to go so far back. I'd have to go so far back. Background. Shoot. Mozart said, did they get that prop firm thing resolved from yesterday? Are you talking about from the Q&A that we listened to yesterday? Because if that's what you're asking about, no. Dean, I appreciate everybody putting fire emojis in the chat. I love y'all. You guys are amazing. This is so fire. And Dean, I appreciate the goat emoji. Even though I'm still a student of the game, I know too much, but I appreciate the love, brother. Yo, we need a celebration song, bro. This just feels a little empty without some sort of we have our good morning song. We have our bad boy moments. We need a celebration song, bro. I gotta find. Let's choose Mozart's favorite song. Hold on, where is it? Where is it? Let me find it. Mozart's favorite song. Where is it at?
Woke up in the morning light, city's buzzing, cars in sight. Got my hustle feeling right, trading in the hood, alright. Corners busy, money
trading
flow.
in the hood, baby. We making out the hood with this one.
Markets moving fast and slow, trading in the hood, let's go. In the hood, trading game.
This is Mozart's favorite.
He
said don't do it, bro.
Just trading in the hood all day. Deals and dreams all
Oh wait, it's not this one.
People working side by side, hoping hustle never hide. Trading in the hood with pride. Goals and dreams all collide.
It's not this one though. It's
People
not this one that Mozart hates. It's another one. Hold on. I'm gonna find it. I think it's this one. No. This one. I think it's this one. Is it?
Woke up in the morning light, cities buzzing, cars in sight. Got my hustle feeling right. Trade.
Yeah, that one's not that bad. It's not this one. Where is it? Where's the one that this guy hates? No. Gosh, I gotta find it, Mozart. I gotta find your favorite song over here. Hold on. It has to be here somewhere. We were just listening to it. No. Let's see. Oh my gosh, bro. Where is this song at? Oh, it's this one. I think it's this one. No.
From Tokyo to Wall Street, numbers never sleep.
Hold on. Bro, which one is it, man? Well, how come I can't find it now? Oh, man.
Dollar dreams and schemes, hero gleams in the night.
Not that one. Bro, oil is like going to the floor.
Tokyo to Wall Street, numbers never sleep. Bitches stacking tall while
It's not that one. Which one is it, bro? I gotta find now. This is gonna bother me. I need to find the song that Mozart hates.
Tokyo to Wall Street, numbers never sleep. Digits stacking tall while the haters count sheep. Graphs and
What are these
profits we gon'
songs?
reap. For money here, sowing seeds give. Currency exchange, yo, the game's a chessboard. Forex wizardry.
Bro, isn't this one
games
Mozart?
forward. Indices rise and portfolio adored. We crack the code while you snort board. Foreign money.
I think it was this one.
Tickets flashing neon in the city lights. Trade, grind, succeed.
Turn up,
fight,
turn up.
right. Living the dream, turn struggle into flight. Hustle global.
Oh shoot, I took it off. Yes, yeah, he said yes. That's gonna be our celebration song from now on because of Mozart. He said throw that one away. Yo, I won't lie, that one is pretty bad still. I will not lie. Oh man, I have a whole bunch of those saved because I was trying to get an intro song done, but I was like, bro, I just, as you can see, I haven't used any because I'm like, bro, these just don't, they do not work. Where is it? Where is it? I see I lost it again. Oh man. But anyways, that's gonna be our celebration song. Whenever we do something crazy or hit a milestone, or I'll make a new one. Who knows? Just for Mozart. Mozart's supposed to make me a better intro song, so we'll see, guys. We'll see how that goes. Dean is crying. Nope, we're gonna make a rap group in here. I'll make the beats. You'll get Marcus to rap. Please get Marcus to rap. I want Marcus to rap the chorus or the hook for your song. Oh man, my cheeks are hurting now. Time to take another bite. Well, what the heck's going on? Why could I not type? All right, so our oil setup did pretty well. Not bad at all. Kata said Marcus kind of looks like somebody who would rap. Yeah, he does. He looks like, you know what? This is who I think Marcus would sound like. Hold on 1 second. 1 second. Where is it? Is it this one? No. No. I have it. Hold on. Hold on, Marcus. Hold on. Come on, bro. I have so many files, bro. I gotta put all of these in a...
One day I'm gonna make it. My dreams won't let me fake it. Rising up from the street with every step I feel the beat.
That's what I feel like Marcus is going to rap like. Yo, I just feel like Marcus likes like hardcore beats or something like that. or if you don't do that, you'd probably do this one. No, not this one. No, where is it? Gosh, I have so many. Nope. No, gosh. No, that's the one that is actually not half bad. Where is it? Wait, I think I have some other ones.
Stars go up and then they drop. Got my eyes on ticker top.
Go Marcus! Go Marcus! Go Marcus!
Credits crank. Charts and graphs, lines and bars. Candlesticks, they be my stars.
All right, that's enough. Oh my gosh. I think Bird said, bro, that trade really went down. Yeah, it dropped significantly. So that would have been a really good setup. My scary would have been the first one out. Lower high. You'll get used to it, bro. I promise you. Eventually, you leave your trades alone and let it do what it does. Oh man, Marcus is laughing. Bert said, "Shady Marcus, Slim Shady Marcus, let's go." Oh man, I'm just trolling on Marcus because I know he could take it. But yeah, there's a bunch of songs, man, that I had to make for some of these videos that you guys see on YouTube. You think Marcus rap a little more hardcore than that? Oh boy, I don't have any other example. Let me see. What else could he do? No, not that one. Let's see. No. No. Nope.
Right.
Nope. Nope. Nope.
Early morning.
Definitely not. Nah. Bro, I ain't got no more for... Let me see. Nah. I ain't got no more for Marcus, man. That's... Marcus catching strays? Yo, Marcus is a good sport. Okay, Marcus is a good sport. Yesterday, we were talking about him being Android 16. Well, oil dropping still. Yeah, oil is tanking, actually. Like, on a serious note, guys, oil is plummeting, bro. Look. All these lows. Oil is starting to take out. So, man, who knows? Maybe... Look at how oil just falls all the time, bro. Maybe we should start looking into oil. What do you guys think? And look at the structure of it. It's pretty solid, to be quite honest. Like, look. Right? These are really nice structures. That one, not so much, but still pretty clean. So if you find like a really good, if you find some good spots, oil might be the thing, you know. Look at how it respected that gap to the T. This is where we got in, guys, at the tippity top, if you will. And look at this. If we held, sheesh, bro. That's insane. Let me get rid of this because that was not. Actually, wait. That's crazy. Maybe we should start looking into oil, guys. What do you guys think? You got to make a funk version. To trust. Okay, got you. I will absolutely look for a version like that. What I do need is new headphones. This was my old Xbox Live gaming headset. I have another one as well. I just can't find it, but I'll probably order one off of Amazon. I'll probably order one off of Amazon tonight. I was looking at the Audio Technica ones. They're like $2. I think they're like $200. They look pretty good to me, but I don't know. I haven't had any experience with Audio Technica, so let's take a look at gold. Let's see what gold is doing. So gold is... You guys, I'm going to try something crazy. No, we need more than that. Let's gamble, guys. Let's gamble. It's all fake trades. Let's see. I'm going to try something real quick. Bro, I need... Give me like... Yeah, there we go. At least 10K. All right, that makes more sense. Oh, shoot. Look at, look at that. Yo, we better hit this trade, bro. We don't hit this trade. It's a fake account, so it doesn't matter. But I think my first entry, no lie, was around like, I think right here. All right, so let's see. We're going to see if we can take... I'll tell you guys after if it plays out. Well, whether it plays out or not, what I was thinking. All right, so the fact that my TP was there. Was it based off of a 1 to 2 or did I just not? Go. Let's see how this plays out. Man, we're going to put this on Instagram and say our first 100K day if this trade plays out. All right, guys, I'll explain to you guys in a sec why. What microphone do I use? I use, what's the name of this one even? I bought this a while ago. Marcus, I'll find the box and send it to you. The brand is not on here. I brought this a while ago. I just know the box is yellow, but I don't know the brand. Bro, I don't remember. Bro, we chop it up after these things anyways. I'll send it to you. Don't worry. I just don't remember what. Why can't I remember? That's weird. Anyhow, Awesome, awesome. Yeah, so let's see what happens, guys. So we did one on oil. Can we go 2 for 2? Not really. We actually lost some today, even though they were all mock trades. But if we're counting every trade we tried this today, I think we are 1 and 2 so far. So like we're a half. Price flying. Yeah, price is pushing. That's why I told you guys I think I'm going to enter this, because trading indices, this just looked like, nah, this is the one. So we'll see what happens. We will see what happens. I got to look at the 15, see if there's any cause for concern. Where are my TPs at, though, bro? We got this to go through. That's going to be tough. That's going to be tough. But considering what's happening here, I feel like I think we could do it. I think we can do it. Let's see. We'll see what happens. We'll keep an eye out for this and see how it plays out. But so far, look, price has now hit that first region already. So that's pretty. Price is pushing on gold. Price is pushing on gold. Alamuk said, let's go. Let's go. You know what helped me? You know what else helped me to be profitable as well? I would do a lot of backtesting, and I would do things like this for fun. And then I start to realize that if I just manage my risk correctly, I could still be profitable even when I just take random trades. Because as long as I risk 1 to 2, I just got to be right half the time. So for example, today, let's look at all the trades we took today. All the trades we took, okay? So let's go. We didn't take any on NQ. We didn't take any on US 30. But we took some on... well, that looks beautiful. We took some on... what was it? I think... GBP, yeah, so we took this one, and was that it? Oh, I think that was it. Okay, so cool. So if we had taken every trade we were looking at today, let's say, we just pulled the trigger on everything we possibly seen, we're technically up. Guys, look at how gold is. Holy smokes. Gold is pushing. Bro, I'm up 64K, bro. My first 64K day trade, bro. I just need a Lambo and a Rolex. And I'm blessed, bro. Oh my gosh. It's actually flying, though. Yo, gold is flying. And we live with the chat. The chat is in here. Okay, the chat is in here. And we are live. Gold is absolutely flying. Absolutely flying, guys. Absolutely flying. Bro, we're about to hit 100K. It's about to hit TP already. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is insane. Bro, please don't do this nonsense where you start retracing. Just look, you're like, let me see how many pips away you are. You are literally, was it like 10 points or like 1 pip? I know gold measures a little different. But long story short, you're very close. Don't start this nonsense, bro. Oh my gosh. Gold, why? Why you gotta do that? Bro, if this hits TP, that'll actually be pretty wild. I won't lie. But the reason why, let me just go back to gold on a different time frame real quick, just so we can see it together. Let me take this off. The reason why I don't trade gold that often is because of this. What used to happen is that my setup would show up a couple times, and then I keep getting stopped out, and then eventually would do this. I'm like, bro, screw gold, bro. Gold is not for me. So that's what would happen. Let's see if it actually hits. Let's see if it actually hits. Come on, gold. Don't disappoint. Don't disappoint, man. Don't disappoint. Don't disappoint. But you see this level before? It's giving us problems again. For those of you who scale in, when would you scale in? This would be interesting. For those of you, this is exactly what happened yesterday. Oh yeah, to you. Same thing happened to K-Dot. K-Dot was going for like what, a 1 to 11, and right near his TP, this started happening. We were like, bro. So we literally, let's write the same note. Let's see if gold will appreciate us today and be nice. Dear gold, bro, my keyboard. I think the batteries are dead, guys. Got to switch the batteries again. You know what I'm going to do this weekend? I'm going to buy a pair of headphones, a new Magic keyboard, and a Magic mouse and all that stuff. And just get to it. Let's switch the thing real quick because, you know, just messing up my flow over here. Don't fall. Okay. There we go. All right, let's get this going now. Come on. There we go. All right, so dear gold, I would like to first offer my sincerest thanks for how far you have come in this short period of time. My humble request is that you will allow price to continue you in the direction it was already headed, so that I can hit TP and my people can rejoice. Thank you kindly, sincerely. Wait, I gotta enter. Sincerely. One more time. Oh wait, thank you kindly. That's wrong. Period. And then this was sincerely. Foreign money. There we go. So we've written this note to gold. Let's see if gold will have mercy on us. Yo, it's listening. It's listening. Gold, please. Gold, I'm getting old, eh? Please, just hit TP so me and my people can rejoice, eh? Looking for longs on EU and shorts on GJ. Oh, that's not good. What is your lot? And leverage, bro. I put 12,000 units, which on here would be equivalent to what? 12 lots? No, not even. It'd be more than 12 lots. Because gold, you can put 12. I've taken positions with like 12 lots before. It's not this much. Marcus, help me out. You're a gold trader. Please help me. This out. Looking for longs on GJ. Marcus is going short, bro. Yo, Marcus has been doing this all day. He's going the opposite of us. We win some, he wins some. So it all works out. Why did you get a wireless keyboard? Because, bro, if I show you guys my desk, you're going to laugh. There's wires everywhere, bro. It's too many wires already. K-Dot said, damn, for money getting B-booked. K-Dot. Don't mess with me, bro. Am I trying to sound like me? LOL. With the eh? Bro, we all African, bro. That's a universal African, like, expression. Oh, gosh, that's hilarious. Oh, my gosh. Gold. Really? You're going to break all these highs. All these. And then retrace? That's nuts. That is nuts. Where would you guys scale in? Would you guys scale in at all? I'll tell you right now what I would wait for. I would definitely wait for some form of structure. Okay, or another area in which I feel like price is giving me. So say, for example, price gets this area, gives me like an engulfing or something, and I still have a lot to go. I might get in, even though that's not really my pattern. But I'm just saying, like, I would look for certain things that make me feel like, okay, I could scale in here. And guys, please do not do what you see on YouTube where my initial position, let's say, is 12,000. And then when I scale in, it's like 24,000. That's nuts, bro. You just, a bit of drawdown, you've blown everything. Don't do that. Scaling with, half, sometimes a quarter, because the distance from here to here, if you're doing one of those, or if you put it at break even, right, it could still get to you. So just be careful. All right, so let's look at GJ. People were talking about GJ. Let's take a look at GJ. Was it GU you guys said or GJ? Going short, bro. Let me see. Looking for longs on EU and GJ. All right, GJ. So let's take a look here. We can get rid of these. Okay, GBP, US. No, GBP, JPY. All right. Oh, wow. Look at GJ today. I love to see stuff like this, though. Even though I don't really trade these type of stuff. I love when structure is forming in a uniform and recognizable manner. I love it. It just really helps with my analysis. I scale in on every bullish candle. Oh, wow, bro, you are aggressive, but let's try it. So the next time we get a bullish candle, we're going to scale in. 'Cause, I mean, we already had one, so why not? Well, luckily for me, I could do, let's do 1,000 this time. So let's buy. There's another one in there. Bro, if this goes against us, we are cooked and it's your fault. Your fault. News on USD, so I'm being cautious right now. Oh, is there? Let me see. Where's the 1 second. Is it a red folder or just like regular news, like yellow folder type news? Let me know. Because this is telling me we only had 8:30 today. Or are you saying because today's a news day, you're being very careful? Okay, here's another one. Actually, no, we already scaled in. Let's not be crazy. Let's not be insane. Bro, close gold. It's touching the golden zone. I know. But I also want to show that because you guys, a lot of my trades, they happen like this too. I'll be right at my TP. There's even some of it on my Instagram. I'll be right at my TP and price will do this. You have to hold. If you guys keep messing with your trades, you'll never get the consistency you're looking for. I mean, you can, but it's not advisable, man. It's really not. Just let price play out. If it ends up losing, this is what, to me, Marcus said this. He says this to me all the time. He's like, bro, I'll see you go like all the way up here and you won't close and you let it hit TP. That's how I got profitable. That's how I got payouts. That's how I got funded. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. All right. Because when it's going for me, it's going. And when it's not, it's not. So we'll see how this goes. More news in 10 minutes. FOMC in 10 minutes on Forex Factory. Oh, so how come this thing didn't show? It's a good thing you guys are in 10 minutes. Yo, I might have to close gold. I might have to close gold. That explains this. Because if price is rising, oh my gosh. You guys, should we sit through this just for the fun of it? What do you guys want to do? Let me put a poll. All right, let me see. So start a poll. 1 second. Should we let price play out through news or close? Right there. I don't trade afternoon, so maybe that's why. Maybe I have my settings to after like morning only. I don't trade afternoon, so I put the poll up, guys. Vote. Let me know. Influence into my red folder. I'm telling you. Charge it. Nah, let it ride. Gold is gonna drop. All right, let's see. We'll see what happens when you guys let's hold all or nothing. That's what I'm talking about. But right now it's not looking great. It's not looking great. All right, guys, I'm gonna step away for literally 2 seconds. I'll be right back. All right, the stream's gonna still continue. I just gotta step away for a sec. Oh man, looking crazy. Will gold honor our request? We will see. I'm in on a short. Me too. Time to put 100 lots on a buy and 100 lots on a short. K dot. What did I say to you before? Now I know this for sure. I've been telling you to not do certain things, but now I know.
You're a bad boy. You're a bad boy. You're a bad boy.
K dot, you're a bad boy. Will Two Eyes is laughing. Welcome to the chat. Welcome to the live stream. Willie, welcome. All right. So, guys, look what's happening with price, bro. This is nuts. Really? He's asking everyone for help on Twitter. Ranker said this is dead. All right, so 58% of you guys said no. Let me check how many people have voted because we know. Oh shoot, there's 14 people in here. 12 have voted. Let's get the other 2 people in here to vote. You guys might be able to turn. Probably not, but vote. Let's see. I didn't know TJ is asking for got hit with the bad boy clip. Exactly. K-Dot is a bad boy. And oh, Willie, did you just enter? Well, Will Two Eyes, did you just enter the live stream? Did you just get on here? Let me know. You guys are saying we should close the trade, but it's already like below. I'm saying it's already doing what it's supposed to do. So let's see what happens. He said hi. Yes, sir. All right, Willie. Then we got to welcome you the good old fashioned way. We have a good morning because it's still morning for us here. So we're going to welcome you the foreign money family way. All right. Welcome and good morning, Will Two Eyes.
Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice. Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice.
Good morning, Will Two Eyes. Welcome to the chat. Welcome to the family. Welcome to the foreign money live stream. He's laughing. Yes, sir. Once I got the dialogue, bad boy. Yeah. That was for K-Dot. K-Dot was a bad boy. And Will, we are welcoming Will to the family and the live. I'd be like that in my girl's ears at 4 a.m. That's hilarious. That is absolutely hilarious. Guys, I think we're going to, I don't know, we'll see. We have 4 minutes until FOMC. We might get washed, bro, because price went all the way up here. Let me see if I can find, remember the new strategy I have? Let me see if I can not diagnose. Let me see if I can analyze this real quick. Let me see. We had a bunch of trades we took yesterday, and we seem to have won some of them. We don't really care right now. I need a clean slate so I can see what's going on. Go back to the 1 hour. All right, so news. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. I hope to God what I'm thinking is not gonna be it. What? Let me just put it this way. I suspect if price does push down for news, we're definitely gonna come to this area. For sure. For sure. Let me go to the 15 and check some things out. Yeah, I'm not too thrilled about that, guys. Which means we're gonna get washed on our initial position. Which means we're gonna hit stop loss. But if it goes up, we were supposed to look at GJ, guys. I'm so sorry. We were supposed to look at GJ. Give me 1 second, guys. I just have to figure out this gold trade. No entry on GJ today. Okay, good. Gold gonna make a lower low. Yeah. It's not looking great. I won't lie. If we do go up, it's still gonna, like, in order for it to go up, I was anticipating earlier that gold was gonna try and break these highs anyways, but it might still come down here, take out what it's got to take out before it goes up. So, guys, right now, gosh, I'm sorry. All this burping. It's not looking great, I won't lie. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. All right. By the way, guys, in a real trade, you would not even get this. Like, as soon as you guys have seen me do it during the 100K series, I took a trade. I closed out because we were like 15 minutes out from news. As soon as we got to like good enough, I just closed the trade. When there is news involved, I will like manage my trades. Any other time, I just let it ride. In this case here, if you guys were in a real trade, you should have closed. I didn't think anybody took this, but if you haven't, get out. And if you're trading a prop firm, you're probably already cooked because they don't allow news trading. So do with that what you will. Just tapping, reading that was on a 3-hour gap entry. Got you, K-Dot. And Marcus said it's September. Yes, Marcus has a theory that not a theory. He's actually been able to see that every September, most pairs just fall for all of September. So that's why he's like bearish on everything today, right? And so far it's working out for Marcus, is it not? Mr. Marcus, Mr. Marcus. Oh, this was yesterday. We wrote the same note to GJ asking TP to hit so that he can go get something to eat, and it worked out. Let me just stay on gold real quick. And guys, for those of you who missed oil, oil went crazy. Okay, we took this trade on oil. Look at where oil would have been. Oh my God, you could have passed the challenge today. I'm gonna start looking into oil. If oil really moves like this consistently, I'll learn to trade it. I won't lie. Gold right now. All right, guys, we have 1 minute. Oh no, not even 13 seconds till news. You guys ready? 13 seconds until FOMC release, right? Because it's at 2 o'clock, no? Or sorry, 11. Wait, you guys said in 10 minutes. So yeah, that has to be 11. 11. FOMC at 11. That's weird. Oh, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. This could be a fake about. Let's see what happens. Oh boy. Oh boy. Is it gonna do it? Is it gonna do it? No way. No way. Is it gonna do it? Yo, is it gonna do it? Oh shoot, wrong one. Okay, guys. Is it gonna hit TP? Is it gonna hit TP? Yo, if this doesn't, this is some witchcraft. Somebody voodooing us in the chat, bro. Let's go. We hit TP, baby. That's why I tell you guys to hold your trades. Somebody said bomb book. I can't even say that word, bro. That's terrible. Hey, yo, Will Two Eyes. Now you gotta get that. You gotta get that now too.
You're a bad boy. You're a bad boy. You're a bad boy.
Very. Oh gosh. Yo, we hit TP, guys. That's fire. We hit TP. You see, it's easy to stress and be like, oh, let me get out. You guys have to let your trades play out. I'm telling you, because you know what happened when by the time you guys were telling me to close out the trade, to me, that's as good as a loss anyways. I might as well let it be. And we hit TP. Yo, Marcel, you got to get that. You got to get one too.
You're a bad boy.
Yeah, you are swearing in the chat. You are swearing in the chat.
You're a bad boy.
Bad boy. Yo, fire emojis in the chat. Shout out to you guys putting fire emojis in the chat. That is fire. Absolute fire. We hit TP, guys. Pretty good day if you ask me. TP on oil and TP on gold. That is absolutely fire, bro. Straight flames, bro. Fire. In fact, where's Mozart's probably not here, but let's play his favorite song. Where is it? I'm gonna have to look for it, man. Shoot. Was it this one? This one's dedicated to you, Mozart.
Wall Street numbers never sleep. Bitches stacking tall while the haters killing sheep. I'm saying candlesticks, profits we gon' reap. Foreign money here, sowing seeds getting deep. Currency exchange, or the game's a chessboard. Forex wizardry, watching games forward. Indices rise and portfolio adored. You crack the code while you snore bored. Foreign money, cashing in, climb the heights. Tickets flashing neon in the city.
This is dedicated to Mozart, his favorite song. Name it the Mozart song. I should. I absolutely should. This is the Mozart song officially. Mozart, if you watch this back, I'm gonna DM you and be like, yo, watch this at this specific time. This was for you. Oh man. Shout out to you guys putting the sniper bow and arrow in the chat for those of us who scalp. This is what we do, and the fire emojis in the chat. Man, I'm very excited for the forex challenge that we're going to be doing, because I would like to actually take some of these trades in real time. I'm going to be doing some analysis and stuff like that, making sure that it makes sense. This was me just from experience. Okay, I didn't even tell you guys why I was entering, but I'll tell you why now. I noticed there's a couple things. First thing is super obvious. You can see this. Okay, and I have seen this happen on almost every pair, where when price is about to reverse at a specific zone, you get this jagged, like slow, lower, low, lower, high towards the towards that area. And then once you get price violating this, most people think, oh, it's just breaking lows and going higher. If you see that price breaks low and then all of a sudden starts shooting up this way, even though you need structure to break before you get back in, so technically we should have waited for price to break here first. Oops. Wrong one. We should have waited for price to break here before getting in, because otherwise we have no confirmation that price is going up. But I've seen this so many times, I just knew it. That's why we got in so low over here. I just seen them like, oh no, this is going up. So I said to you guys, I want to try something. I have a feeling this is going up. And then somebody mentioned as soon as we went in there, it literally started just pushing. And this is what you want when you get into trades. Unfortunately, we got a little bit of a heart attack with it coming back down here, but it was a very good setup. So that's what it was. So that was one. And then number two, even though it didn't break structure, I could kind of see that price had given us our low, high, you know what I mean? Low, kind of call this like that. But essentially, once it broke above this, I'm like, nah, this looks like one of those ones on Nas back in the day I used to trade where I could take the retracement and go towards the upside. So I looked at all those things and I looked at where we've been at all day. Remember, I told you guys that I was also very bullish today for gold. And it's because even though right now gold is still playing around, I still believe that at some point, maybe even over the weekend, it should be going towards these highs. I just can't see gold coming all the way back down after doing this all since what? August 20th, we've been doing this. I feel like it's due. You know what I mean? So there was a couple factors in my head that I could just put together real quick, and that's what made me take this trade. All right, guys. So yeah, that's that. And it's 11 o'clock. So it's officially my time to cut, but I'm going to stay a little longer for you guys. I always do. Since I came back, I'm trying to make up for the the week that I was gone. So we'll stay a little longer. And it is the weekend, okay? Those of you who game, if you are into any first-person shooters, you know what I mean? Hit me up. I'm on. What did I do? Yo, chat, I can't see you guys. Oh, my God. Oh, wait, refresh. Let me see. No. Are you guys still there? Why am I asking? I can't even see. You know what? Let me open this instead. Oh, shoot. Are you guys still there? We hear, bro. Okay, cool. So I'm going to have to keep this open because for some reason, for some strange reason, everything just disappeared. So, okay, cool. All right. So you guys are still here. So yeah. So if you guys, this is weird now, but if you guys game, right, hit me up. Hit me up on Instagram or in the Discord because I'm thinking of doing Saturday gaming with you guys. Okay. Someone said, oh yeah, Black Ops 6 beta is live. Yeah, I'm gonna, you know what? Like, I'm a Black Ops guy. So I might get it just to play with you guys. The only issue is Black Ops, do you know, Will, if Black Ops is a cross-platform game? Some games come out like that, some games are not. Let me know, because then we can play no matter what platform we're on. Because I'm on Xbox. So if you're not on Xbox, unfortunately, we won't be able to kick it. But thank you for everybody who said you're still here. I appreciate it. Appreciate it, guys. I think today was a good Friday, and I low-key wish I took some of these trades, you know, but I had a trade yesterday. I won. I'm good. I don't want to, you know, you have to exercise discipline or else you can give back the money you made to the market. Okay. So and I don't trade gold. I don't trade oil. You see what I'm saying? And I don't trade anything else except US 30, SPX 500, and NAS, and those did not give me my setups today. You see what I'm saying? So I just kind of left it. But yeah, okay, so Will said, I believe so. Okay, cool. I'll look into it then. I'll absolutely look into it. And we will chop it up. I'm trying to do Sunday game with you guys. If you guys have other games that you want to recommend too, that you think we can all play, let me know. Marcus is definitely down for sure. So we might do like a really cool gaming stream on Saturdays. All right. So maybe even on Sundays, because I'm Christian, and what we were taught, one of the things we were taught is that like, on the holy day or the day of the Lord, we shouldn't be doing any work. And I know there are people who differ because they're like 7-day Adventists or Orthodox Jews, and their Sabbath is Saturday, which the Sabbath day is technically Saturday. Long story short, on Sundays, Sundays, I don't do anything. I don't work. I don't do anything. It's my day of rest. So on Sundays, I might be able to kick it with you guys as well. Let me know what days work better for you guys. But in the meantime, guys, I would say today was a great day in terms of these random setups we took. Unfortunately, my actual setups, nothing really played out. I know some of you guys are in GJ right now. Let me see if I can analyze something for you guys. Are you guys, let me get rid of this because we did all this the other day. Okay, are you guys who are in GJ, are you guys buying or selling? Because I can't even find a reason to buy right now. Everything's so far away. I don't like when I'm taking trades and everything is all the way over there. So I don't know. You guys are going to have to help me out here. All right. What are you guys looking at? For me, I only see sells only. I have zero reason to buy. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know. Oh, I can see the feed here, how it's delayed. Oh, man. You guys are seeing it like... I got to find a way to live stream this better because... Let me check my internet again. When I went to the internet speed, let me try this again. I'm supposed to have 1 gigabytes per second internet speed. There you go. Oh, shoot. So it's still lower. 760 megabytes per second. My internet today is not great, guys. My internet today is not great at all. I got to figure it out, guys. There's no way that the live stream should be lagging like this, to be honest. It should be doing a lot better. So anyways, I will figure it out over the weekend. In the meantime, I think K-Dot said I tape read a sell, but I took the 50-minute low and now I'm moving bulky. Our internet is... Oh, your internet is 760 times faster than mine. I'm so sorry, I don't mean to laugh. It's just the way that you put it. For real? Oh, shoot. I thought I'm trying to get higher internet because... there's the speed and then there's the bandwidth, right? The bandwidth is what covers all the different devices that connect to it. So I have laptops, I have 2 phones, my wife has 2 phones, my sister-in-law who's with us right now, she has a phone and an iPad. I have a laptop, my wife has a laptop. I have how many computers? Well, I have screens, don't matter, but long story short, there's smart TVs and all these things connected to these things, right? I have like these lights behind me. I wish I could show you guys. They're all by Wi-Fi. So there's a bunch of things in the house connected to it. Not to mention we have security cameras around the house and things like that. So, you know, there's a lot of things connected to it. So sometimes it eats up the bandwidth. And then depending on where the router is located will make a difference as to how much of that bandwidth you get and stuff and how fast and fluid that connection is, bro. I can't talk, but I think you get my point. Alan Monk said 10 megabytes per second. Bro, it's all good, man. It's all good. We all been there. You know what I mean? I didn't always have 1 gigabyte per second. So, yo, when I used to play Call of Duty when I was in high school, I don't know what it was. Whatever internet router we had was terrible because what would happen is that whenever somebody would go into the kitchen to use the microwave, the second the microwave goes on, you would see me like glitching, right? Because the internet would just be choppy. It used to break my soul, bro. I used to be so upset because I'm trying to game, right? And you know, in Call of Duty, every millisecond matters. You see how people play, right? They just, bro, 1 minute you're there, next minute somebody's quick scoping, shooting you, jumping, diving, sliding. So like it used to frustrate the life out of me, bro. So we've all been there, all right? We've all been there. So from what I understand, K-Dot and them are in some cells, right? So, I don't know. I don't know where you guys are getting in. Oh, by the way, I've always wanted to know, what do you guys trade on? Let me actually do this. Let me close this poll and do a new one. What do you guys trade on? Do you guys trade on the... Let me see. Start a poll. What time frame? Oops. And then I'm going to have... We'll do 1 minute. 5 minute. Guys, give me 1 second, okay? We'll say 15. Okay, and for now, this will be like the first version, okay? Let's see. Oh, it's raining. But anyways, let me know. How much does your internet cost in your country? So internet, so we have internet for home and we have internet for business. Our business internet is way more expensive because in this country, the same internet they will give to somebody in a residential area when it's business is like $400, $300, $500. But the internet for my house, I think is $100 a month. That's it. So it's nothing crazy. It's like $100 a month. You need to use your Ethernet cable when you game. Yeah, I know. I agree. Ever since I got burned by Forex props, I switched to futures. I now use Top Step on the trade. Yeah, Top Step is fire. I use Top Step as well. I absolutely use Top Step as well. And I hear what you're saying. Like Forex prop firms have been really nasty. So I completely understand where you're coming from. I completely understand. If you guys are new, please join the Discord. It's amazing in there as well. We have a lot of stuff coming up. I'm trying to launch this website so that you guys can have the things that you're looking for. Bro, today's just a good day overall. I have another account that is doing its thing, and that's doing well as well. But yeah, so if you're new, join the Discord, guys. We're a lovely family. We go live every day. Today is unfortunately going to be the last day for the week, but it's all good because Monday we'll be right back at it, right? So they're in cells, and yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. To be quite honest with you, I ain't got nothing else to say to talk about. I do have a lot of work to do, but I do love chilling with you guys, so I don't know, man. Unless you guys have a question or anything like this, I think I'm going to call the stream. Well, let's do this. Let's call it at 11:30. All right, so 15 minutes from now, we'll bail. And everybody can enjoy their weekend. I hope you guys have a great weekend. I hope you guys have an awesome weekend. Let me know what plans you have. I know a lot of you guys are probably just going to get some rest. Me, I have work to do. Lots and lots of work to do. So I'm not going to be chilling at all. Marcus said Friday stream. I appreciate you, brother. I appreciate it because I know it's late where you are. Thank you so much for sticking around. I appreciate you guys. Discount code on your website seems to be working out. Which website? I haven't built it yet. I'm still working on it. I want to ask you about the Robo Riches. Where is it at the moment? Yeah, I know. Everyone's asking. So, long story short, let me just put it this way. The reason why there's a pause on it for now is two reasons. One, editing is so tough for me right now. There's so much going on. I need help with editing and all these things, but I'm going to get to it. I'm going to try to get to it to this weekend so you guys can at least see the update on what's going on with the week after that. But I actually have the bot in development. They sent it back to me. It actually is making good progress, and we have it so that we're trying to set it for it to be able to take prop firms, because if these bots can trade for, with prop firms without violating any rules, no HFT rules, no stop loss rules, no news trading rules, stuff like that, I think it'd be something everybody wants. And then there's other things that we're trying to fix. But initially when the bot came back to me, there were some things that it wasn't doing for some reason. So we sent it back, just got it back. And, we're still kind of ironing out some wrinkles. So you guys bear with me. It's so easy for me to be like, oh, all right, guys, here's the bot. And then what if the bot doesn't perform the way it's supposed to? What if there's glitches with it? I don't want you guys to be losing your money, because I know you guys will put real money behind this. So I want to make sure that the product is good before I release it to the public. But that's where we're at for now, and that's all I can say for now. Hope it helps to some degree. W stream, bro. Take care and have a good weekend. Appreciate you, Will. Appreciate you, Will. You too. We should have a goodbye song. Unfortunately, I don't have a goodbye song, but I'll get one. I'll try and build a soundboard for you guys so that we can do this every so often. Prop for Match. Oh, Prop for Match is not my website. I just do content for the company. I'm just like the face of the company. But Prop for Match is not owned by me, not created by me. It was actually designed and coded by the COO. If you watch their interview where the CEO and the COO are talking about how they started and stuff, I was interviewing them. I'm just the content creator for Prop for Match, but I don't own the company. All right. I have to go, man. I have to eat dinner and study. No problem. Learn with Adib. Have a blessed one, bro. You have a amazing weekend, and I hope to see you back here on Monday. Join the Discord if you haven't already, and we'll catch up on Monday. Professor said Fire stream as usual. Appreciate you guys, man. Appreciate all of you guys. It looks like a lot of you guys are like bowing out, so that's cool. I'll just let you guys kind of like head out, and then at 11:30 I'll kill the stream. K-Dot said cold stream. Appreciate you, brother. Happy you joined. Thank you so much for the kind words. Hope to catch up with you guys on Monday. Please, if you game, DM me on Instagram. Okay, let me put my Instagram in here real quick. My Instagram is at mymoneyforeign. Okay, DM me on Instagram or join the Discord and DM me so we could chop it up. All right. Marcus said he's still short on gold. Marcus, you just love going against the grain, bro. Excuse me. So yeah, for the rest of you who stick around till 11:30, that's pretty much what's going on right now. I got a lot that I'm working on. There's a free course I'm going to be dropping. There's the bot we're working on. There is one-on-one calls, guys, that we're going to be opening up for as well, where you guys can request time from half an hour going. right? So the periods will be starting from half an hour sessions going up. And then there's tools. So those of you who were here where I did the stream where I showed my trading history from 4 years ago and all my templates and stuff, we're going to be releasing that to those who join that program for like if you do a one-on-one call or something like that, you'll get those tools and stuff for free. So I'm just trying to do my best to help you guys with what I went through and what I experienced. I'm not going to sell any course or any signals. I don't do anything like that. I don't think selling signals is a good thing to do. And of course, I think I could sell a course, but I don't want to. I just don't want to be one of those. So it's going to be free. All right. So like I said, join the Discord. Support. Guys, if you haven't already, I should say this every stream, but hit the like button, guys, please. Okay, hit the like button. It helps me out a lot. I'm looking at the poll right now. A lot of you guys trade on the 1 minute and the 15 minute. Literally, it's split between 5 and 30 minute for the rest. Okay, but right now 1 minute is the leading one, and followed by the 15 minute. All right, so welcome to the chat, guys, because I'm a 1 minute scalper. You know what I mean? So that's pretty fire. You guys can see the results at the end there. But yeah, that's pretty much what it is. So I'm working on a lot of things. I have a website that I'm like I said, I have to try and get done over the weekend. I have a meeting later on with the mod because we also have to figure out all these different things. I got to speak to the payment processors. There's just so much going on. So guys, bear with me. All right. I'm also I tried to get people to help with editing and stuff like that, but the prices some of these people are asking for is insane. People want to charge me $60 a minute, which means every 10-minute video that I release is going to be $600. Why would I pay $600 for a video when I can edit? It's weird. Dean said, W, big ups. Yo, I appreciate you, Dean. My brother from Nigeria, appreciate you, bro. Big ups to you as well. Hope you have a wonderful weekend, my brother. Ranker said, I appreciate the works. Thanks. I appreciate all you guys, man. Each and every single one of you guys. I do this for you guys. I literally started live streaming just to show what I can show. That's it. So I'm super happy when you guys are getting some value out of this and sometimes some entertainment. You know what I mean? So it's really cool. I think we have the best community, the best family on YouTube, hands down. I tell everybody, I'm like, yo, I have the best community on YouTube. We are the best. We're supportive. We're kind. We're smart. We're a lot of things that you see missing in other communities. A lot of communities, if you guys haven't seen already, in the Forex industry, it's so negative. You share a trade, everybody wants to put you down and tell you why your trade sucks. Go into my Discord. People are posting trades every day. I'm not even involved. People are helping each other. They're like, yo, should I get in here? And people be like, well, I would maybe do here, but I could see what you're doing. Maybe wait for this. No one is like, oh, you're wrong. Why? Because we don't have any of those guys who are like, oh, you missed. There was a Sibi and a Bissi over here with a liquidity take and a pull and an inducement. We don't have those guys who are like, this is a lower falling channel, super trend. We don't have those guys in there. So it's a really good community. So if you guys haven't joined already, join. It's super lovely. And I would love to see you guys in there. Marcus gave us the bow and arrow. Shout out to you, Marcus, man. Super OG. Guys, also check out, I forget to say this all the time, check out Marcus's channel. Okay, he has like 22 or 23k subs now. He does a lot of great content. Check out his channel. Super supportive. He's been supporting me from day one. He has not asked me for $1. Excellent human being. All right. Kata said, why do you think some gurus can't show record of them being profitable with place on prop firms? Okay, hold on. I'm gonna get to your question in a sec. Titan said, I appreciate you too. Proud to be a foreigner. Yo, spam foreigner. If you're in the Discord, you become a foreigner, bro. We are foreigners. I have some stuff coming up with that as well. Yulomi said, I'm so late. Oh, man. Yulomi, nowadays, you just been missing the bus. What's going on? But glad to see you anyways. Coming back to Kato's question, he said, why do you think some gurus can't show record of them being profitable but place on prop firms? Bro, I don't know. Maybe some people have, like, they can't perform in front of people. Because I'll tell you guys right now, trading live and trading by yourself, totally different things. I was having this conversation with Marcus. When I was trading my personal account, I was killing it. When I was doing the 100K Forex challenge, my psychology was all the way off because I know people are watching. So maybe, you know what I mean? Some people are also kind of sketchy. I don't know. Some people have deals with prop firms. There's a lot of reasons, but to me, the first reason I mentioned is probably what I consider to be the reason. Enjoy the weekend, foreigners. You too, Yulomi. Yulomi is our OG, okay? Our OG South Africa. Any of you South Africans in here? She's the one that started it all. Yulomi. She's our South African OG. She's the checkpoint. You know what I mean? Yulomi, by the way, you missed quite a bit today. We had this trade on oil. Look at where it is now, all right, that we took. And then we had this one on gold as well that we just took as well. That trade made us like, what, 100K? Let me see. Let me see if all the 118,000. Look at this. By the way, guys, this is a paper account, okay? It's not a real account. So you can see some trades go, some trades don't go. It doesn't matter. We take all sorts of random positions in here, so don't take it too serious. But this trade, we put so much sizing behind it. Look, the account is at 3 mil. By the way, to be fair though, I started this account with 100K, and I took some let me see if I can show you guys the positions. I took some crazy positions and brought it up to like in the millions. Let me see if I can show you guys so you guys can see. Where are those trades, bro? Can I do it by P&L? No, I can't arrange it like that. Okay, let me see. Let me see. What was that just now? No, that's 10K. I took some crazy... Look, there's an 80K trade there, but I took some crazy... Where's it at? Shoot. There's a 135K trade. I took these big positions one time. I can't remember what it was on, but it brought the account into the millions. Where is it at? You guys, I would say this as well. If those of you who are itchy to trade and sometimes you want to trade, but you're not sure if you should put it in, like, have a paper trading account. It's why if you saw today, a lot of the trades we took today, they were paper trades, right? Because sometimes I'm like, boy, I feel like I could, like what I saw with gold, if the old me, I would have placed the trade and I would have won. But you know why it's bad? I'll do that again and I'll lose. You shouldn't trade like that. So if you ever want to scratch your itch in a sense, have a paper trade account that you can just throw the trade in there, and then that way you can say, okay, this worked. Try and analyze what worked from there, and then if you can add it to your repertoire. Okay, but don't be just taking trades because you feel like it's gonna go your way. Anyways, going back to this, I really want to find out where the heck was that last trade that got me to like in the millions. Where is it at? Oh, there it is right here. Look at this. $2 million trade. What did I take this on? NAS 100. I took this trade and it brought me into, so up until then I had gotten the account up to 292K with some of these positions, right? And then I took this trade right here. How much can I see the position? Point value. I can't really tell, but long story short, we took a long on NAS and brought the account up to 2 million. I'm gonna post this on Instagram and say I got my first $2 million trade. I'm just kidding, guys. Yeah, let me say what? Looking for buys on EUK dot, and agent is laughing. 2 mil, time to sell signals, and a course. Yeah, guys, buy my course, okay? Buy my course. My course is only for a select few. It's only going to be open for the next 4 minutes, okay? And it's, since I love you guys, it's a 100K course, but since I love you guys, you just got to pay like 5K. That's it. 5K, we're good. Buy my course. Where's my shades, bro? I need to get into action, bro. Let me see this. Let me see this, bro. Let me go put on some of my Gucci. I don't have nothing in this office. But one of these days, I'll come and do the whole thing. K-Dot said, what a steal, Professor for Money Face. And Marcus said, I'm in. Buy my course, guys. You want to make $2 million like I did? Huh? How many people you know is making $2 million? Huh? How many people? Where is that? Look, how many people can do this? Buy my course. I am the best ever. I am the greatest of all time. Buy my course. $2 million. Who else can do $2 million in a trade? Only me. I am the broker. I don't trade against the broker. I am the broker. I am liquidity. Buy my course. Hey, Yolomi, listen, Yolomi, you just got in this morning. We have to welcome you properly, okay? So Yolomi, since you got in, it's still morning where we are. So Yolomi, good morning.
Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice. Good morning, pineapple. Looking very good, very nice.
Good morning, Yolomi. Welcome back to the family. Welcome back to the chat. Welcome back to the live. This is our way of welcoming our people who join our lives. Oh gosh. Mehul Patel said no. Mehul, I don't know. I think you're new. It was a joke. All right. Don't take it serious. It was an absolute joke. I don't sell anything. I'm going to make a course and it's going to be free. All right. I don't sell nothing on here. My Discord is free. My everything is free. I don't sell nothing. All right. So if just in case you got the wrong impression, it was just a joke. Keda said he's too good at this. He's ICT tan. Yo, let me said, how's our swing traders doing? Guys, answer. She wants to know, those of you who are swinging, if there are any swing traders left in here, let her know how she's doing. Professor said, ha ha ha, I am liquidity. Exactly. I am the markets, bro. I am the market maker. I'm the one who knocks. Oh man, the internet is a funny place. Yolomi said, nice good morning. Yes, Yolomi, good morning to you and welcome back, like I said, to the live and the stream. We've had a great day today. We got to look at some other pairs. We looked at US 30. All my setups on US 30 did not play out today, unfortunately, so I didn't take any trades. So it's better than taking a loss, right? Now, well, technically, this one still worked out in my direction. It just didn't give me my entry at the place I wanted, so I couldn't take any trades. NAS 100 ended up doing some wonkiness. It ended up, where is it? It ended up going to, this is not the one. This one, yeah, there you go. It ended up going straight into the zone and then plummeting. I was waiting for a retest over here. It didn't give me that, so we just stayed out the market. So it's been a pretty good morning. And then we also took this trade here. With this trade, we let it ride out through news. So as you can see, news was at 11 my time. So we were up. Price, when we entered, price was shooting towards the upside. And then all of a sudden, as it was approaching news, it started going down. And then as news hit, it started to shoot up. It was pretty fire. And then we took this one on oil. We just literally waited for price to kind of give us this bearish structure. As soon as it broke, we got in. And now oil is all the way down here, which if we had held, you can pass a prop firm challenge in this one. So I'm going to start looking at oil. It's been a great day. Great day. All right. I hate to do this to you guys. It's 11:30. I know, Yolomi, you just joined, but at least you caught some of the live. I'm going to head out now, guys. I got a lot of stuff to do. I'm building a site for you guys, trying to get a course for you guys, trying to get all the tools, the elements, the softwares and stuff that I was using that helped me backtest, that helped me track my results. All that stuff I'm going to be giving to you guys for free when you join, when you book a call and all that. Why is my post on? Yeah, those of you who do the one-on-one calls for me and stuff, I'm trying to set that up. I'm trying to talk to payment processors and all that stuff. So long story short, a lot of work to do just for this. Remember, I have 4 businesses, and thankfully, I have employees in those ones. But with this, I have nobody. So I'm going to have to dip out, guys. But I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. If you game, DM me on Instagram or DM me in the Discord so we can set up something. I want to start gaming either on Saturday or on Sundays, and we'll chop it up from there. But as always, let me go back to my face real quick. I really enjoyed the stream with you guys. I love each and every one of you guys. It was an amazing stream. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, join the Discord or the Instagram. And as always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace, everybody. Have a wonderful weekend.